Don't know. Milord, may I be permitted to mention, Milord?
Yes.
One listed motion released by other bench for want of determination. This is the pension matter, widow pension, primary. Let it be listed, Milord. Urgent listed motion.
No, urgent listed motion, it cannot be done. There is a pension head, it will appear, but I will not accept mentioning today. Yesterday, a lot of mentioning has been accepted.
Let it be.
A lot. No, it can wait for some time.
My lord,
Yes.
may I have your
It
lordship?
is released by other bench.
I understand. Please wait.
My lord, yesterday your lordship was passed a specific order directing the Babasaheb University to complete the entire process online. My lord, after that, my lord, they have issued this notice at 7:45, whereby it is hereby notified that all the students who had preferred writ petition before the Honorable High Court at Calcutta, thereby praying for appearing in the B.Ed first semester examination 23-25 to be commenced from 23rd of July 2024, and wherein orders have been passed on 22nd of July 2024 by the said Honorable Court, the said students are hereby directed to appear in the university campus 25/2 and 25/3 Baliganj Circular Road, Kolkata 19 within 10 a.m. on 23rd of July with their original Aadhaar card, PAN card.
What is the difficulty? What is the difficulty?
My lord, the difficulty is the students, in my case.
Yes, in your case.
In my case, the students reside at Jhargram. She started from there today at 4 a.m. Till now, she could not be able to reach in Kolkata because it is 260 kilometers from Calcutta.
The examination starts from
12, and not only 12, my lord, 12 to 1:30 one examination, thereafter 2 to 3:30 another examination. My lord, kindly appreciate this.
Listen, try to understand. There was a genuine reason for putting this up in the notice board, and I am aware of it. Thing is, since your credentials were not there with the college authority, they could not have provided you with an answer script first, and second, even if an answer script was produced to you, it would have been got lost. And this is the reason. It is for the betterment of the candidate concerned, for in the best interest of the candidate, that this has been done. Let your candidate come over there. In case there is some delay, the university is going to accommodate.
But
let them come.
The situation will
It cannot be
come.
helped.
So starts from
It
4
cannot be
a.m.
helped. It cannot be helped. You approached the court yesterday on the last
No, my
minute.
lord, we have what am I telling to your lordship?
Don't tell anything. I am aware of the situation. Please wait and see till 12:30. I am here. If your candidate is not able to reach
He
the
will not
venue,
able to reach there, my lord, by 11, I believe.
let them be there.
Because
we'll
from
see
12,
the college authority,
12
the university authority is here.
Yesterday, out of
Yes.
27, already 17 have approached, collected their cards, and they are taking the examination from 12.
They are there.
We are there.
We will take
extend our
care.
cooperation.
The court and the university both will take care. Tell the candidate to reach the venue at
In
least.
some cases, from North Bengal, Jalpaiguri.
Yes. Are they coming? Where are they?
In some cases, my lord, where students are from Jalpaiguri,
Students are from
They
Jalpaiguri,
could
but
not
they
will
pursue
not
course in Birbhum.
they could not arrange any transport because
All
the
right.
notice was published after
All right.
7:30.
Hmm.
So the last train or bus from Jalpaiguri is perhaps from 5 to 5:30. So they have written letters to the university to provide them an alternative exam center within their locality to which they can reach in time. They have prayed for
University, please take care. Where is the college? Suppose they would not have been required to come to Kolkata in the university campus.
There is
Where
a
would
college,
the examination
there is a
center
college,
be?
I have instructions from my client. They have written emails to the university for providing them an alternative exam center to which they can easily avail. They can reach there. If your lordship will kindly direct my learned senior friend to
Give a copy of the mail to them so that they can take care and see.
4 জন মতন আছে সরি 6 জন আছে এটা হচ্ছে জলপাইগুড়ি কলেজের এক্সাক্ট নামটা আমার মনে নেই আমি বলে দিচ্ছি
Please speak and see how they can be resolved.
I have a similar matter, I'll request Mr. Mojumdar to wait. On Friday, the order was passed by the coordinate bench. Document verification was directed. There was an issue raised, regarding 100 days attendance.
Whatever.
Now, the verification has taken place. Now they are, again creating they have issued an order yesterday. This is the order.
Tell me what is there.
They have said that because of this 100 days problem, I will not give you admit card. Whereas this honorable court, looking at everything, my lord, also in their forms, in their respective documents, my lord, it was indicated that someone who has less than 50%, only he, she shall be debarred. Otherwise, with 500 rupees, it shall be regularized. The attendance part shall be regularized. Despite that, my lord, they have allowed 54%, my lord, out of 54 approached. 52%, my lord, were accommodated in the sense, my lord, their verification took place on Saturday within the time specified by your lordship's court. Ultimately, my lord, this is the order we have been served.
Everybody, how many are there?
Total 54 students are before your lordship. My lord, I want to move it. My lord, today the examination is 12. My lord,
Yes,
I'm
I
getting it
know, but
affirmed.
then I do not know whether practically this will be possible or
No,
not,
because
Mr.
we are the
Majumdar, Mr. Ray.
My lord, otherwise, my lord, we approach the court.
1 minute, please wait.
But the 54 students
Huh.
physically verified. Out of 54, 52, 46 students give the self-declaration that they joined the school college on May 10, 2024, which means they have not completed the 110 mandatory days classes.
But that was not me. Subject.
1 minute.
Other 6 students also declared that they had completed 100 days classes.
All right. This is the condition.
I will satisfy your lordship by looking at the documents. If your lordship is persuaded to hold, otherwise, my lord, I am telling your lordship, my lord, this issue came up for consideration on Friday. We persuaded the court, we satisfied the court that there is a specific rider that, my lord, this 100 days cannot stand in the way. In the event, my lord, these students have been
Tell
registered.
me one thing, are these students really interested to pursue the course or they
My lord,
only want the
why are they
certificate?
coming and disturbing your lordship
Only
otherwise?
for the certificate.
No, with respect.
Absolutely,
No,
yes.
with greatest of respect, no.
They, you have a solution.
But there will be no year loss. But we will allow all these students to pursue the, take the first semester examination along with the second semester examination.
No, that is nice.
Your lordship, kindly
Lord,
kindly order an order.
See, I have approached your, my lord, otherwise, my lord, what was that? The approach, my lord, made by the students on Friday was futile. The verification was futile. Everything was futile. Entire
Today-
endeavor.
Today at 12:30, the examination is starting.
Yes, my lord, we have
Now
got
it is around
ourselves
11.
verified. They are, my lord, they are raising this issue despite there being a clear rider that, my lord, with 500
If-
rupees they are going to regularize.
Suppose there is no year loss and both the examination first and the second semester can be taken at the same
Your
time.
lordship, kindly
What
kindly
is-
pass that order. Kindly
And we
pass
will
it.
pass orders, but let written instructions come from the
They have
university.
taken
We'll keep it on
examination
record.
fees.
আমারও তাই।
They have taken examination fees also from us.
Yes.
On Saturday.
Come with a written instruction.
Yes, ma'am.
At 2 o'clock, shall I keep
The
it?
matter of examination is at 12.
No, it cannot be helped. It cannot be helped. 2 o'clock, file it. It will appear in the supplementary list.
Very well. Very well.
The wetlands matter, my lord. There is a
Yes.
notification, my lord, if your lordship recalls.
Mm.
This is, my lord, somebody else, my lord, not who had come. We have come with an application. WBSCB has come to disconnect.
WP?
WBSCDCL
Uh-huh.
come to disconnect electricity.
All right.
Now, my lord, in this case, my lord, there is no difficulty because there is no permanent construction. And a part of, my lord, the land at least, my lord, is capable of, my lord, construction. This was, my lord, Shali land even prior to promulgation of the act. Would your lordship, my lord, permit this to be taken up tomorrow, my lord? And grant
Tomorrow
tender-
it cannot be taken up because applications are taken up on Thursdays usually, right? But then,
No, they came yesterday.
yes,
So I'm sure they will come after 2-3 days again. We can wait till Thursday. We will request them not to do anything.
very well.
Great.
But when is the main matter appearing? Any idea?
But I have forgotten that. my lord.
Check up.
17901.
Checkups so that yes,
My lord, may I pray for your lordship's leave to tag my matter also with that matter where I can get the chance to opportunity to give the exam with the second semester of my first
that is
semester.
not your prayer.
But I understand, but the change circumstances, my lord, because it is easier to the
Come up with
petitioner
an
to reach.
application. In your case, an application has to come
My lord.
by saying that these are the difficulties. Check up whether it's
My lord,
11 now.
she already we talked with her. She can reach to the nearest location that is situated at government college at Jhargram. but it
You
is not
said she was on her way to Calcutta now.
already starting travel.
Then let her come. Let her come. We'll see what is to be
But
done.
I believe, my lord, she could not be able
If
to.
she cannot come, in case, come up with an application. She can't earn.
My lord.
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention one matter?
Returnable on 31st
My
of
lord,
July.
the
Let it appear on
difficulty will be, who
31st.
will affirm the application, my lord, in that case.
The application will appear along with the main matter on the 31st. Doesn't matter. Yes.
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention one matter for inclusion of the primary education matter?
No.
Was the contempt application?
No, don't give. Yesterday, all slips were collected. No mentioning now.
My lord, may I be permitted? My lord, may I be permitted to mention one writ petition, which I'm mentioning upon notice to my other side, my lord. I'm appearing for the secured creditor and the writ petitioner in this matter. I'm challenging the order which was
What
passed
you want,
under.
please tell me.
Yes, your lordship, I'm asking for inclusion in the list, my lord.
Yesterday, I have taken up all inclusions matter. Nothing will be taken up today.
No, my
My
lord,
lord, there is urgency because the borrower is
Why
already
did you not
creating
come
third party.
yesterday?
My lord,
You cannot come up at any time according to your choice.
my lord, the notice was given on 19th for mentioning on 23rd.
You can give your notice as per your choice. The court is not going to accept it.
My lord, very well,
Try
then
to
I shall come back.
Yes.
my lord, it's may I have your lordship's kind indulgence to regarding a specially assigned matter. Your lordship on the last occasion was directed the department to produce the all applications. It is a short street matter, my lord. And your lordship was
What
further
street?
directed.
I do not know Short Street, which so many matters
But
come.
it's a school police in action matter which has been assigned to your lordship, specially assigned matter, my lord.
When was it assigned?
Because last time this order was passed and your lordship was directed the matter to appear on 23rd. But
No,
today
no,
it is
I
not
don't
in the
think
list.
any assignment. I am not aware of any assignment.
But I will mention tomorrow also.
Check up. Don't mention. You first check up whether there is assignment or not.
It's assigned matter, right? Because this matter was actually declined by Honorable Justice Tithankar Ghosh and
Was
thereafter
why?
it was assigned before your lordship.
No, it was assigned before the regular bench, possibly.
No, probably not, my lord.
Give the,
I'll check up.
give the number.
I'm giving it by today.
May I be permitted to mention on Group 2 university matter for non-prosecution matter?
Yes.
My lord, may I be permitted a matter for inclusion in the list?
No,
My
don't
lord,
mention.
that is your lordship's order, and the demolition order has been passed in the absence of the private respondent, my lord.
Yes.
And now the demolition will be held by 30th July, my lord. This is very urgent matter, my lord.
How
I
can-
have filed recalling petition, my lord. That has
Recalling,
not.
nothing doing. Sorry. File it in the department. It will come in usual course. Yes.
Madam,
It has not been come, my
It
lord.
cannot
to the
help.
list. It-
mentioning for upgradation আজকে item number 126 আছে যদি
আপনার উকিল বাবু কোথায়?
আমি ইন পার্সন করছি আমি
126 নম্বর আছে।
126 নম্বর অর্ণব প্রামাণিক
কি আছে মামলাতে?
ম্যাডাম আমার জায়গার উপর আমার জমির উপর জোরপূর্বক স্কুল কমিটির লোকেরা স্কুল করেছে, হ্যাঁ প্রাইমারি স্কুল করেছে জোরপূর্বক বেআইনি ভাবে করেছে।
প্রাইমারি স্কুল তৈরি হয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ স্কুল কমিটির যারা সদস্য আছেন যারা ওনারা জোরপূর্বক পলিটিক্যাল ফোর্সে এই কাজ করেছেন আর কি, যার জন্য আমি প্রেয়ার দিয়েছি যে আমি স্কুল রেকগনিশনটাকে যাতে কোয়াশিং করা হয়, এটা হচ্ছে আমার সাবমিশন।
স্কুলের রেকগনিশন কোয়াশ করা হবে, স্কুল বাড়িটাকে সরাতে বলবেন না?
স্কুল বাড়ি সরানোর জন্য আমি প্রেয়ার দিয়েছিলাম কিন্তু সেখানে কোনো হয়নি, তার জন্য আমি রেকগনিশন বাতিলের প্রেয়ার করেছি।
কোথায় আপনি প্রেয়ার দিয়েছিলেন?
আমি অথরিটিকে জানিয়েছি
কোন
চিঠি।
authority-কে জানিয়েছেন?
পঞ্চায়েত অ্যান্ড রুরাল ডেভেলপমেন্ট যিনি সেক্রেটারি উনি এই স্কুলের অথরিটি আর কি, উনি রেকগনিশন অথরিটি।
পঞ্চায়েতের স্কুল?
হ্যাঁ এটা পঞ্চায়েত, এটা যে SSK MSK প্রাইমারি
SSK?
স্কুল। হ্যাঁ SSK MSK প্রাইমারি, এটা কিন্তু এটা প্রাইমারি স্কুল না, এটা SSK MSK প্রাইমারি স্কুল।
আপনি কি অপরপক্ষকে নোটিশ দিয়েছেন?
আদার সাইডকে আমি নোটিশ দিয়েছি এবং এফিডেভিট সার্ভিস আমি করেছি। যদি কাইন্ডলি ম্যাটারটা একটু দেখেন 126 আইটেম নাম্বার।
এটা দেখবো, কিন্তু আজকে তো দেখা যাবে না, শুক্রবার দিন দেখবো। আপনি
আপগ্রেডেশনটা যদি অ্যালাউ করেন এটাই আর কি।
আপগ্রেডেশন অ্যালাউ করছি, শুক্রবার দিন মামলা হবে। আপনি অপরপক্ষকে নোটিশ দেবেন যে শুক্রবার দিন মামলাটা হবে।
ঠিক আছে, ওকে।
আইটেম নাম্বার 126 আপগ্রেড এজ আর্জেন্ট মোশন অন ফ্রাইডে। দরকার নেই স্লিপের। কল দ্য লিস্ট প্লিজ।
2006 matter, my old hearing.
Old hearing, you are for the petitioner?
My lord.
Come when inclusions are taken up. Yes.
My lord, I appear for the petitioner in this matter.
Yes.
My lord, 13th of April 2021, when this matter was taken up, we were asked to add the appellate authority, which we have done. Copy served. Now, my lord, the appeal is pending. I have been trying to contact my client from Saturday, my lord, have not been able to be in touch as to the status of the appeal. May we come back next week, my lord, with the proper instructions?
You are for whom?
My lord, I beg to appeal for the Reserve Bank of India.
Yes.
Respondent 1, 2, and 3. My lord,
Are-
only one indulgence may an amended copy of the writ application be served on us.
It's only this
A
addition,
formal addition. Very well.
formal addition, nothing more. Only cause title I have added the respondent number.
Who are the other respondents?
Reserve Bank of India and Union of India has been added as a party.
Union of India has been added as a party. Who is appearing for the union? Very well, please come. On the prayer of the learned advocate representing the petitioner for taking instruction in the matter, list the same on 12th of August.
Very well, madam.
Stop, let notice be served upon the non-appearing respondent, intimating the next date of hearing.
Yes, madam. Grateful.
Who is the appellate authority over here? Union of
Of
India.
India. Union of
Which
India.
department?
My lord,
NBFC.
it should be finance department, my lord.
Ministry of Finance.
No, that's added.
Sorry.
Item number 2, Mr. Rajiv Rai is on behalf of the ICAI. He has not come today due to physical illness. I am paying for 2 days accommodation.
Are you aware whether affidavit has been filed or not? Not aware. None appears for the petitioner. No accommodation sought. Dismissed for default. Interim order, if any, stands vacated. Record the appearance of the respondent.
Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner and the learned advocate and record Mr. Arun Kumar Upadhyay is not in the city, ma'am. He is in Mumbai. I am praying for not this week.
Same as item number 1. It will appear in August. Check up the date.
Okay, much obliged, ma'am.
Please give your appearance.
Okay, much.
Well, I'm appearing for the petitioner. Well, I'm paying
Yes.
for accommodation, 1 day accommodation. Well, in this matter.
Very well. Same as item number 1.
It will.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, my humble prayer is to withdraw the matter. My lord, I have instruction to withdraw the matter.
Who has given you the instruction?
My client, my lord, instruction is here.
Are you the advocate on record?
Yes, my lord, I am
Let
there.
me see.
There's a resolution by the Bar Association not to attend from 10:30.
It's already 11 past 11. And for what?
It is being circulated, my lord. A young member of the bar, Mr. K.K. Maiti,
All
he
right.
suddenly expired due to cerebral.
How old was he?
Far less than 50.
Please come. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that her clients have forwarded a written instruction requesting her not to proceed with the writ petition any further. Stop. Next. In view of such submission, let the writ petition be dismissed as not pressed. The written instruction given by the petitioner number 2 to the learned advocate be retained with the records.
Item number 3. Here I am for the petitioner.
Who's your other side?
My learned friend.
All right. What is your prayer?
Prayer, my lord, against the primary school council, my lord, published a list, my lord,
Which council? Bankura.
Bankura.
Who appears?
Sumon De and Mr. Bhaskar Boisho.
All right.
My lord, we are the B.Ed trained assistant, B.Ed trained teacher.
B.Ed.
B.Ed. My lord, the Supreme Court, my lord, protected us. They only to undergo 6 months bridge course. But the primary school council, my lord, the list published a list, including our names also to complete, my lord, the DLD. That order is only my lord, the DLD NIOS, but the analogy is same. They have to also undergo 2 years diploma. But they are the present petitioners are the B.Ed trained teachers. My lord, my lord, you will also kindly
show me where is that provision that you have to undergo only the bridge course of 6 months?
6 months bridge course, my lord, that is the NCT provisions, my lord, they have to 6 months bridge course. Subsequently, my lord, the Supreme Court also, my lord, kindly see the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, page 11. Supreme Court also directed that page 122.
Devesh Sharma.
Mm. 122, second paragraph.
Yes.
Moreover, the candidates having B.Ed qualifications whose appointments we are protecting in this judgment, previous paragraphs, my lord, we have been protected. We'll have to undergo a bridge course and we direct the education authority to devise such course which would be applicable for each state and union territory within a period of 1 year from today. And this is the my lord, till date, my lord, NCT has not yet any formation, my lord, to in any institution to undergo bridge course. But our name has been included for undergoing 2 years diploma in elementary education. That is.
But I am verified, Lordship. Just now I received. I verified. If the Lordship petitioner, then Lordship I deleted the name. If the Lordship give me Lordship 2 days time, if the valid, then Lordship I delete the name, Lordship.
Very well. Please come. The petitioners are in-service primary school teachers having B.Ed qualification. Stop. The council has published a notice for training, a notice for undergoing 2 years DLED training, wherein their names have been included. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioners rely on the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, dated 8th of April 2024, in the matter of Devesh Sharma versus Union of India and others, being miscellaneous application diary number 4303/2024 in CA number 5068/2023, wherein the court held that the candidates having B.Ed qualification will have to undergo a bridge course. Stop. The court directed the educational authorities to devise such course within a period of 1 year from the said date. Stop paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioners contend that in view of the order of the Supreme Court, the council cannot compel the petitioners to undergo the 2 years DLED training. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the council seeks time to take instruction in the matter. Stop. On such prayer, list on today's Thursday.
For your lordship, today's
Thursday.
legal any tailors.
On it 25th of July. Under the heading urgent
That
motion.
matter is come up, lordship.
25th.
Lordship.
Since the council issued a notice, my lord, by 20th July.
No, it's 27th.
27th.
My lord, my lordship, in that order, you also directed that to no coercive
25th.
action.
No,
or
not
no penal
25th, lordship. I am directed, lordship. Don't worry, lordship.
Institution has been allocated.
That doesn't matter. Within 2 days,
Yes,
still there will be
I
time.
will do it.
I am for the state, but my lord, since they are taking time to take instructions, my lord, I am not saying anything.
Yes, yes. Record appears.
Time. I am not time.
Yes, next.
My lord, may I?
Item number 4, I am appearing.
My lord, there is a resolution of the bar, my lord. From 10:30, my lord, we will not be participate in the judicial proceedings, my lord, due to the sad demise of Kaushik Maiti. Just
3 members are here. If they
my lord,
intend-
there, my lord.
Yes, please. I do not have an issue in taking up the matter. What is it?
Although this matter is urgent, my lord, because of the
Yes.
transfer order, my lord.
Where is
If it granted, my lord.
Where is the order of transfer?
My lord, page number 38.
DPSC Burdwan.
Yes.
Who appears?
I served a copy upon the
The
DPSC.
district primary council without presence of district council, lordship.
May-
Purbo Bardhaman.
Purbo
I am for
Bardhaman.
the state, lordship.
Yes,
Let
I
the lordship-
understand. Purva Bardhaman, Mr.
served-
Somiran Giri.
Answer Mandal son, lordship. I don't know naam.
Somiran Giri was appearing?
No.
No, Shomiranda.
Mirangiri.
হ্যাঁ
পূর্ব বর্ধমান
No, Mednipur.
পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর কি ডিস্ট্রিক্টটা কোনটা
পূর্ব
তোমার
বর্ধমান পূর্ব বর্ধমান
পূর্ব বর্ধমান লর্ডশিপ পূর্ব বর্ধমান সমীরন গিরি নট অ্যাপিয়ার
All right. Answer Mandal.
আনসার মন্ডল লর্ডশিপ অ্যাপিয়ার
Achha.
জেনারেলি লর্ডশিপ আনসার মন্ডল সান ইজ অ্যাপিয়ার ইন দ্য পূর্ব বর্ধমান
All right.
I know
Where is he?
inform me room number 10 or any sitting there
Go, call him. Call him.
but here lordship when the lordship bar took a resolution here and lordship I
No, these are urgent matters, not regular matters.
Then
He
that's
has
That's a gift
urgency.
is granted.
Leave has been granted. What? You have been transferred?
Yes.
When?
And
Where is the order of transfer?
page number 38, my lord.
38.
এই ভैया के কর না ডাক না আমাদের ছেলে dated 15 July
Yes.
2024, my lord. Within 3 working
What
days,
is your name? You are
Asma. Item number 6.
Asma. 6.
Yes, my lord.
Serial number 6. You are in Burdwan Banipit.
Yes, my lord.
And you have been transferred to Shodor. Same, within the same circle.
But my lord, for the transfer, my lord, 3 legal point is involved in this matter. Why I say so? In the transfer rule, there is a specific mention. The own motion transfer only, it's a council power, not the chairman power. First, and in this regard, already this High Court settled this principle in Deepika Bala matter, my lord, 2022 SCC online
yes.
KL 232. I will put it later on.
Hmm.
And factually, my lord, I made a representation. Kindly turn page number 40. The representation first.
Yes.
May I read, my lord?
Yes.
আমি আসমা আলম বর্তমানে সহশিক্ষিকা পদে কর্মরত পূর্ব বর্ধমান জেলার সদর শহর 1 নম্বর চক্রের অন্তর্গত বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ে আমি এই বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করি পূর্ব বর্ধমান জেলার প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয় সংসদের সাচের পত্রাঙ্ক বলেন আমি যখন বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করি তখন আমার বিদ্যালয় পিটিআর ছিল 56:3 বর্তমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয় পিটিআর 372:8 সদর শহর 1 নম্বর চক্রের মেমো নম্বর অনুযায়ী আমি এই বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করি 24/6/2021 তারিখে আমি বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করার পর আমার iOS MS টিচার প্রোফাইল ইন্দ্রপ্রস্থ জিএসএফপি থেকে ট্রান্সফার করে বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ে করা হয় এবং আমার কর্মজীবন রোপা 2009 এর অপশন ফিক্সেশন ও বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ের অধীনে হয়। সঙ্গে বাংলার শিক্ষা পোর্টালেও চেঞ্জ করে বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ের অধীনে হয়। আমি ওই বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করার পর আরো একজন শিক্ষক এই বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করে এবং কোনোভাবে আমি বিদ্যালয়ের সারপ্লাস টিচার নয়। বর্তমানে আমাকে বর্ধমান জেলার প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয় সংসদ থেকে মেমো নাম্বার সাচ এন্ড সাচ, দ্যাট মিনস হুইচ ইজ আন্ডার চ্যালেঞ্জ, পত্রাঙ্ক মারফত আমাকে পুরানো বিদ্যালয় ইন্দ্রপ্রস্থ জিএসএফপি এ পাঠানো হচ্ছে। বর্তমানে বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ের পিটিআর 255:10 এই অনুযায়ী, ইন্দ্রপ্রস্থ জিএসএফপি এর পিটিআর 74:3 27 অনুযায়ী যোগদান করিলে সারপ্লাস হয়ে যাবে। অর্থাৎ দ্যাট মিনস if I transferred and that school I become a surplus teacher, where in the present school there is a deficiency of the teacher. অনুযায়ী আর একজন শিক্ষক যোগদান করলে পিটিআর হবে 74:5। মহাশয়, যেহেতু আমার IOSMS রোপা 2009 বাংলার শিক্ষা পোর্টাল সবেতেই আমি বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ের শিক্ষিকা, তাই ওই বিদ্যালয়ে আমি স্থায়ীভাবে থাকতে চাই এবং আমার ট্রান্সফার অর্ডার স্থগিত রাখার অনুরোধ জানাই। Now my lord, kindly see the order passed by the Bardhaman DPSC, my lord. And also, my lord, I want to refer the earlier transfer order, which is annexed with my writ petition, page number 35. In the year 2021, on the basis of what I transfer in the present school. Kindly see, my lord. Subject, what is, my lord? Page number 35. Subject, regarding proposal of placement of teacher under Sodor and Urban 1 circle. With reference to the above noted subject, the undersigned would like to inform him it's that your adjustment arrangement of 2 teachers, namely such and such, is accepted by the council. It is done by the council, not by the chairman. Considering the urgency and interest of primary education, the aforesaid teacher under Sodor 1 circle is hereby deputed exclusively on temporary basis, subject to the approval of school education department. So earlier decision of transfer was by the council, not by the chairman. Now kindly turn my page number 38. The present transfer order. Where is the council decision? Under the Primary Education Act, council is a statutory body.
Yes, I've followed it.
But lordship, I am here, lordship, I am not lordship, but here my learned friend is a council. Here the division bench, special bench judgment is there. If the council is not in the form, chairman has the power.
No, but then you have to see whether the council is there or not.
Yes, I am sitting, lord.
There is no council. The council is functioning.
Nadia district primary council.
No, this is not Nadia. Here, whether the council is functioning or not, that is to be seen first.
Lordship, I am not appearing on behalf.
I understand.
DPSC, but lordship, as per lordship, here lordship, teacher ratio, lordship. Teacher ratio said lord district primary council. If the lordship district primary council, they take the 2 PM or any day.
And thing is,
PTR ratio.
PTR ratio is the lordship, I think lordship 40 is equal to 1, 150 is the
40:1.
But here lordship, I think so lordship. Let the district primary council say here lordship, transport order is 15. Only 3 days. That lordship
is over.
Lordship, give me the tomorrow lordship.
No,
Let
not
the fix for
yet.
tomorrow.
Yes,
What is the urgency? The 15 is the issue. Thereafter,
no, I got it within.
If the lordship, tomorrow lordship, if the lordship quash the transport order, there is no necessary tomorrow or today lordship. Let the matter fix for tomorrow and
please come. None represents the Purva Bardhaman District Primary School Council. Stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the order of transfer. Signed by the chairman of the council on 15th of July 2024, transferring the petitioner from Bardhaman Banipit Primary School, Sodor Urban 1 to Indraprastho GSFP School, Sodor Urban 1. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted that the chairman is not the competent authority to issue the order of transfer. Second, the student-teacher ratio in the transferee school is such that if the petitioner joins the said school, then she will be a surplus teacher over there. Stop. The present school where the petitioner is teaching is absolutely in the proper ratio. Stop. Next paragraph. The matter is adjourned till tomorrow. Date ta diye deben 24 tarikh. Stop. Learned advocate for the council shall take specific instruction with regard to the student-teacher ratio of both the schools, comma, the present school where the petitioner is teaching and the transferee school where the petitioner has been transferred. Specific instruction shall also be taken as to whether the district primary school council is functional in the district of Purba Bardhaman. Anything else?
And my lord, junior teacher than me is also present in the present school. That's my. Yeah, obviously, council will take.
Further instruction shall be taken as to whether
Junior.
there is any junior teacher than the petitioner who is still teaching in the Bardhaman Banipit Primary School.
This order is communicated by the DPSC, Lordship. My learned student.
DPSC will take.
Immediate communicate, Lordship. Otherwise,
He will communicate.
Yes.
Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to communicate this order to the learned advocate representing DPSC
I am great.
Purba Bardhaman.
Oh, answer that. Well,
Yes.
similar order.
School. School is the same.
Yes, school is not the same, but order is the same.
And which district?
Lordship, in
Same
this
order.
matter, I am not appeal, Lordship, on
Very
behalf of
well.
the state, Lord.
Very well, very well.
In the both the matter, affidavit of service
Service is there.
kept in the
Show me the order of transfer, please.
page number 31, my lord. Same order. Serial number
Oh, it's the same order.
and serial number 5. Atin
Atin Kumar Mondal. And here also the,
from Bardhaman Horishobha Hindu Girls High School primary
yes.
section.
And here also the
No,
teacher-student ratio will be the
Yes,
same.
yes. And representation is also there, and he is also not the junior.
Please come.
Representation page number 33. And mentioning the teacher.
একটা জায়গাতে না দুটো জায়গাতে বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাইমারি স্কুল বলা হয়েছিল, সেটা চেঞ্জ হবে। সেটা হবে বর্ধমান হরিসভা হিন্দু গার্লস হাই স্কুল প্রাইমারি সেকশন। ঠিক আছে, আদারওয়াইজ এভরিথিং ইজ দ্য সেম।
Kindly see.
আগেরটা শি ছিল, আমি মনে পড়ছে না, এটা হি হবে। Yes.
Lordship,
My lord, in both the cases, my lord, both the petitioner transferred to the same school.
Yes, I have
74
seen that.
student is there.
Lordship, I am only, Lordship, the bar association took a resolution, Lordship. If the Lordship not appear on behalf of the state or Lordship otherwise, kindly give me this.
Then tomorrow, my lord.
Yes, tomorrow.
Item number 6.
Yes. Would you like to mention something? Yes.
And we have taken instructions, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, out of 30 students, 16 has 27, 16 has already come to our university center. They would be appearing for the examination. Now, my lord, for the students who are stuck in Jalpaiguri, my lord, we may.
And Jhargram also. In the
Jhargram,
morning.
well, let me address one of these Jalpaiguri
Yes.
1 minute. In Jalpaiguri, my lord, we have issued them the examination forms. They can fill up their forms online and they will be treated as enrolled candidates. They will have the, my lord, the opportunity to sit for the examination along with their second semester examination.
No, supplementary.
Supplementary examination with
Second semester
they will have.
Then how can be supplementary if they do not appear?
There's a provision that if a student does not appear in the examination, they can sit in the supplementary
In
examination.
all the subjects?
Yes, madam. There's a provision.
There are 2 semesters at a time, my lord.
Yes.
So that will take, we will take care of, my lord.
Why don't you come up with something in writing?
Writing, very well, madam.
If not today, come tomorrow. Prepare a proper note
Lordship.
which can be
Circulated
put up
after
in
the
the server, and I can keep it
Thank
on
you.
record, and then the matter can be
That case,
disposed
my lord,
of.
the matter in which Mr. Shengupt is referring, so far as the students from Jalpaiguri is concerned, the matter is marked on 30th of July, my lord. Let that matter appear tomorrow, my lord, under the heading to be made.
No use. No use. Because it will be published in the official website of the university.
my lord.
I will keep that on record on the day the matter is taken up, because tomorrow or 30th it will be the same. Consequence is the same.
My lord.
In case they cannot appear today.
So, my lord, if the students who does not appear today, the notification will be applicable for them irrespective of the district.
Yes, yes, yes. And
And-
tell me one thing, suppose somebody cannot appear today, but appears in tomorrow's examination, that is possible,
Yes.
isn't it?
কেন?
যেটা enrolled হচ্ছে না, আজকে তো enrolledই তো খুদ করে যাচ্ছে।
কালকে যদি ফর্মটা fill up করে,
কালকে ফর্ম করে বলেছে তো সেই সাবমিট তাকে যেতে হবে।
মানে they have to go to.
No, thing is, in that case, supplementary only one subject.
No, all the 4 subjects they can appear.
Suppose somebody appears in tomorrow's examination, will you not permit?
But my lord, if the forms are not filled up, my lord,
Yes. And the form filling up will be by today, the last thing. Nothing can be done.
We'll send the just now I talk with the controller. We'll send the examination form by online to the institution. Institution filled up the form and submitted before the university. That student will be treated as an online registered student. But their examination will be taken up with the supplementary examination, will be given up within 1 or 2 months. In the
and my
meantime,
lord,
those
for
students not
Trishna,
completed the 100 days class, their class will be also completed.
and for Trishna Pari, my lord, if she comes, my lord, we will accommodate her, my lord. Certain time may be given.
I do not know whether she'll be able to come or not.
Let us see, my lord.
Let us see. You prepare
I'll prepare
a note, a press release type of in your official website, so that the students get to know. Yesterday I was telling you, see, it will be difficult for Uttar Dinajpur and all these people, especially during the monsoons. The trains are not available, the buses are not available, and overnight,
700 kilometers. my lord.
and overnight everybody is not looking at the phone to
There
see.
are my lord, female students, my lord, who does
Yes.
not like to travel overnight.
Right.
This is the
There may
fear.
be issues,
Correct.
tickets may not be
I guess,
available.
my lord, I have handed over one email to my learned friend. She's a lady from the Jalpaiguri. She could not,
becomes
we will take
there are
examination
practical
of the students, my
difficulties.
lord. They did not worry, my lord. We will take the examination. It is our responsibility.
Yes.
And we will give a press notice.
Yes, please do. In that case, 2 p.m. matter,
We will come at 2 p.m. also.
please come. Yes, call. Item 6. Make it not today. Call the list.
In item number 7, I have checked up, there is no telephone number of the client. I have sent letter. I have checked up the 13th September 2029. The order was passed by Judge Devanshu Prasad to submit report by the OC Ramnagar Police Station in respect of as to whether any encroachment of government land has been done. If done, to remove the same and submit report. I've seen on that day also none appear for the state. Yeah, last occasion, behold, lordship also none appear for the state. That's why I have to take step to search out whether anybody is. If not, I have to submit again a copy of the writ and to write a letter to the OC. That's why it will take time. That's why, my lord, at least 1 month time required.
1 month?
1 month time is required. I have to write letter to the OC Ramnagar Police Station and to submit a fresh service upon the government pleader. So much work is there.
Learned advocate representing the petitioners seeks a month's time to effect fresh service and to take further instruction from his clients. Stop. Next. On such prayer, list in the combined monthly list of September.
And also I am to Malkan, I am to write a letter to the OC Ramnagar Police Station.
Let notice be served upon the respondents intimating the next date of hearing.
My lord. My lord. Grateful. Yes.
Call one by one.
Then the matter will appear. Item number 7, the matter will appear.
Monthly list of September.
Item number 10, my lord, I am for the petitioner led by Mr. Pankaj Havdar. My lord, I have already served as per lordship's direction, but the affidavit of service is being affirmed. So if lordship permits, it is here, my lord.
We will take up the matter tomorrow.
Tomorrow it will be all right, my lord, but the matter is very short actually. If lordship can hear, I have no problem.
I do not have any problem. Bring your other side. I am here. All right. Are you
All right,
aware? Who is appearing?
My lord, that I don't know, but
Hey, take information. If you can bring your other side, I'll take it up.
very well, lordship. Grateful.
Return the affidavit of service.
I am for the petitioner, my lord. It is a family pension matter, a
Who is
handicap,
your other side?
my lord. On previous occasion appeared, my lord, see.
Mr. Pinaki Dhol.
Yes, my lord. And when the superintendent of my lord SSK hospital was directed to submit a report.
Yes.
That has been done till date.
There is a direction upon the Registrar General to ascertain. Was this order communicated to the RG?
No.
No. Are you sure? Why did you not communicate?
But the previous occasion, my lord, submitted that superintendent has not filed any report.
Yes, there was a direction to inquire why the report is not here. Did you intimate this order to the RG?
But yes, I think I did so, but later.
Where is it?
Later is not with.
Come back tomorrow. Check up whether RG has been intimated or not.
Yes.
Item number 30. Number 14.
আদিত্য বাবু, ইন কেস ওই ম্যাটারটা যদি আরজি কে কমিউনিকেট না করা হয়ে থাকে তাহলে আমাদেরকে কমিউনিকেট করতে হবে, কালকে এটা মাথায় রাখবেন।
ঠিক আছে।
Number 15. Item 16. Item number 17. Item number 18.
Malad 18, I appear on behalf of the petitioner, Malad. Only thing I was praying, Malad, if it can be taken up on Friday. This is a contempt your lordship has issued
That
the rule.
Pachiwala Pole
That
matter.
Pachiwala Pole matter of the Bidhannagar Corporation.
What happened? Appeal or something was
Appeal court directed, Malad, your lordship to proceed with the contempt.
proceed with the contempt. What about the order?
Malad, I have handed it
It
over.
has been
The contemner was to deposit a sum of rupees 1 crore.
Malad,
To
this is
which
the
your
order.
lordship was pleased to issue the rule.
Yes.
Against which they have preferred an appeal before the Honorable Chief Justice. Now,
Malad, kindly
twice
see
the
the
matter was taken up and they sought for an adjournment, Milord. So the matter is returnable on 7th of August with a direction to proceed with the content by your lordship, Milord.
Who is for the contemptor?
No, that gentleman is going, Milord.
You want it on Friday? Why?
Days I will not be here.
Will not be here. Very well. On the prayer, you are for the petitioner. On the prayer of the learned advocate representing the writ petitioner. List the matter on 24th. No, it's 26th. 26th.
Regarding item 15, Malad, I could not appear, Malad. Today there is a resolution. Malad has passed it over. Not here.
I have not dismissed it. You are saved.
Malad, only thing, Malad, your lordship is keeping the order on record, Malad, kindly.
The order dated such and such passed by the Honorable Division Bench be retained with the records. Ager mamlatate. The Division Bench on দেখে নেবেন.
On 8th of July 2024.
Such and such be written with the records. It is already there. Please check up.
Number 19. 20. For the petitioner.
I'm for the state.
You are for the state?
Yes.
Yes.
Last August, there was a direction to bring the report, my lord.
Malda, Mr. Prasad is here.
My lord, I am furnishing the report. My lord, the transfer order that my learned friend is relying upon, that transfer order is, my lord, on scrutiny, it was found to be fake.
Fake?
Yes, it was a forged document and it was issued by the Joint Secretary, and Joint Secretary, after issuance of the transfer order, directed to all the to whom Malud this transfer order was addressed, the Malda DPSC and other DPSC, that not to act on that transfer order because it was a fake, forged document. Kindly consider.
That might be not known to my client. If it is that be so, my lord, let me copy
Where
maybe hand
is-
over to my.
Where is the transfer order? Please show.
My lord, one moment, man.
My lord, kindly come to page 15.
15.
And
Yes.
the
Type copy is the 15A.
15A
Hmm.
and the annexer 17.
Yes.
Page 15, type copy 15A and the containing annexer
The
is
entire list is fake.
Yes, my lord, kindly
Page
consider.
17.
A copy then. My lord, may I get a copy of that?
What instruction? Give a copy that it is fake.
I'm carrying.
Page 17, it starts from serial number 211 to 224.
Yes.
My lord,
My lord, only the containing name of the petitioner that has been annexed, but
Yes.
there are some other
my lord,
details also.
that record should be produced before your lordship, the whole.
No, why?
No, if I am fake.
My lord, we are
if it is fake-
acting on the instruction of the Joint Secretary.
Yes.
Yes,
We
lordship.
are not, my lord, the issuing authority who has issued the transfer order.
Yes.
And my lord, kindly consider my serial 3 of the table.
Hmm.
Kindly consider, my lord.
এটা কোথা থেকে পেয়েছো?
The petitioner says he was
এটা পেয়েছো
transferred
কোথা থেকে?
dated after the Joint
Well,
Secretary.
it is showing from the online, my lord.
Hmm.
Online full copy বার
আমাদের
করতে
একটা
হবে।
কপি দিও, হ্যাঁ?
Full copy বার করতে হবে।
আপনারাই পাঠিয়েছেন।
Tell me one thing. This is dated 26th of February 2021.
840. Memo number 840.
840, yes.
Has this been acted in respect of any of the candidates?
My lord, to that effect, my lord, because as immediately after issuance of this order, there was an email, and accordingly, my lord, we have not acted.
There was an email when? Immediately in 2021?
Yes, my lord, kindly see the email dated. The transfer order is 26th of February 2021.
Yes.
An email was sent 30th of March 2021 by the then Joint Secretary to the Government of West Bengal School Education Department had informed through email that the transfer order bearing memo number such and such was totally fake, and he requested not to take any action on the said memo. Hence, the transfer order was not carried out. The next page is, my lord, the email, extract of the email has been annexed.
My lord, may I hand over one document, my lord?
Yes.
What my learned friend just now submitted, that Additional Secretary of Government of West Bengal addressed a letter to the chairman by acknowledging that they should act it upon this. But can you have a look? Yes, lord, can you have a look? My lord, this is going on. This is going on. Everyone is declaring themselves king. It is just prior to the date, my lord. Last line, can you see, my lord? Now, who is fake? That is the issue, my lord.
No, it is mentioned now after such a long period of time, you are the competent authority to take appropriate action as per the extant norms. Right.
Right.
It does not say
No.
yes, you are requested to take appropriate
This is the
measures.
acknowledgement on the letter date. Kindly see. I will take it to
You have your learned
8420.
advocate.
It is not my. It is a copy to my learned junior brother who is at.
Yes, a learned advocate on behalf of the petitioner has
Send one.
advocate's letter. And in response thereto, this has been issued.
My lord.
The additional secretary is not aware and he has not checked up. He has only mentioned to take steps.
But my lord,
But
then
if
there should be some disclosure of the fact. This is a fake one.
no, how will the additional secretary?
Because I have annexed all the documents in my
Additional
letter.
secretary does not find out.
That is the main prayer.
State, who is for the state?
My lord, we are for the state.
Please check up once again because he is for the council and he has definite instructions from the joint secretary. Right? There is a communication from the joint secretary, elementary education, school education department. Your learned friend for the petitioner relies upon a communication from the additional secretary. Both are contrary.
My lord.
Maybe one has not checked. It is very much possible.
My lord.
Please find out and revert which one is correct.
My lord.
Please
I shall,
come.
I shall try my level best, my lord, to trace
Not
it.
level based. You have to.
My lord, I should.
This is their document, my lord.
Yes.
The petitioner seeks implementation of
আমাকে
the
একটা করে কপি দিয়ে দাও অভিজিৎ বাবু নলেজ
memo number 840-SE/10M/27/2021 dated 26th February 2021 দেখুন ঠিক আছে page number 15 issued by the joint secretary to the government of West Bengal, school education department, elementary education branch. Stop. The said memo contains a list of the said memo contains a transfer order. Stop. The names of the teachers allegedly transferred is annexed with the said memo. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the council has taken specific instruction and submits that the memo in question is a fake one, as informed through email dated 26th of dated
My lord, the sentence start with but on 30th of March 2021.
30th of March 2021 by the Joint Secretary, Elementary Education, School Education Department. ঠিক আছে? Stop. The councils were requested not to take any action on the said memo. Stop. The petitioner refers to a communication dated 8th of April 2024 by the Additional Secretary, School Education Department, requesting the chairman of the council to take appropriate action as per the extant norms. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the state respondents is directed to take specific instruction with regard to the genuinity of the subject transfer order. Stop. List on 2nd of August.
Grateful.
May I get a copy of this report to hand over to your lord?
Yes, please hand a copy to your learned friend for the petitioner and the learned friend for the state, so that he can also take instruction.
And I have here and now handed over the copy to my learned for the state.
Which copy?
My letter. That is the
All right. The other one should also.
Because I am continuing one copy, my lord, can it be 5th of August? My lord, 5th of August, can it be?
Why you want later on? I can prepone the date.
I have no issue, my lord.
I know it is for the state to
Day
take
after
instructions.
My lord.
Because
I'll prepone it in that case, 31st of July. 31st of July.
My lord, kindly keep it on second, my lord.
Why?
Otherwise, if we fail to, my lord.
No, you can get it because just check up. There is a communicating mail. 31st of July.
I'm good.
As your lordship, I'm not
Grateful.
31st is all right with you?
আমি আপনাকে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি একটাই ফোন ক্যারি করছি তো
I'm grateful.
দেখি 1 মিনিট, এটা কি পেনশন মামলা? পেনশনের বান্ডেলে দিয়ে দেবেন।
Saying not today, my lord, there is resolution in the bar, my lord.
Is this a pension matter?
No, no, my lord.
Pension, na? Very well.
Yes, ma'am.
Put it in the pension bundle. It will be there in the pension bundle. Next one also same. Check up, check up. Check up whether this is pension or not. Pension to put it in the pension bundle.
My lord, 25, I am for the petition. My lord, I am for the pro forma respondent number 11.
Pro forma respondent.
My lord, it's a mutual transfer, man.
All right. Who is your other side?
Board is the.
I am aware of the resolution.
There are two resolutions.
What is the other one?
It's extraordinary. First resolution is that yesterday's resolution is withdrawn.
All
Since the
right.
matter has been resolved, the erring officer had sought an apology. The matter has now been set at rest.
All right.
So we
When
have
was this resolution taken now?
10:25
Today.
today.
All right.
And at 10:30, there is another resolution that due to the sad demise of Mr. Maithi, we have resolved now.
Very well.
Much obliged.
Yes, the board is not here. I'll take it up tomorrow. Not today.
7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
But I am for the petition. It is that matter, DLA matter. Yesterday I have mentioned. It is very urgent matter.
Hmm.
On 28. Your lordships, my lord, kindly peruse the order passed by your lordships, my lord.
The date of last date of
Extended, my
revision
lord,
has been
but
extended.
extended. But my lord, the chairman DPSC did not permitting the students, my lord.
What is
This
the
is
ground?
my written instruction, my lord. And not only that, my lord, Commissioner of School Education yesterday issued one, my lord, notice forwarding your order, my lord. In spite of that, my lord, the chairman District Primary School Council.
As
Did not-
the petitioners ought to be permitted to undergo.
Yes.
Malda is not permitting.
Malda is
Not
Chairman,
permitting.
Yes, my lord.
Chairman is not permitting. Mr.
permitting.
Prasad was here just now.
ওইটা যেটা কারেকশন তুমি বলছি
Give a copy to your learned friend
এই
so
যে।
that he can see what is
এটা
there.
কমিশনারের তরফ থেকে পাঠিয়েছে যাতে কমপ্লাই করে চেয়ারম্যান যেটা দেখতে চায়নি এবং এটা আমার রিটিন ইনস্ট্রাকশন যেটা চেয়ারম্যান ওদেরকে
My lord, only one thing that I pointing out. My lord, perhaps this is my lord, this is with regard to date 2014. My lord, in the order itself, my lord, there is some correction is required to be effected, my lord, because in the body of the order, 50% these are the facts has been recorded. My lord, I'm requesting because my lord, this is not related to this matter.
50% is not required. over
Not
here.
required. And my lord, the names were also wrongly recorded. In the
my name and Mr. Prasad names was not recorded, my lord, in Mr. Sannal.
Yes, and my lord, the body of the order where my lord is giving the direction, my lord, where in that particular portion, my lord, 50%, less than 50%, these are the facts recorded. So I'm, my lord, requesting this, these are the facts to be, my lord, excluded from the main order.
My lord,
And
my lord, your lordships has recorded, my lord, that reliance has been placed on the order dated 10 July
Yes.
and 11 July, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, pursuant, your lordships recorded, perhaps, my lord, all the other condition which has been stipulated by the West Bengal Primary Education Board, my lord, that has been waived by the court. For
Hmm.
that purpose, probably my lord has recorded.
Hmm.
this.
my lord,
The 50% condition was waived, and
This is the instance.
district-wise bar, this court has waived.
Since all conditions are waived, my lord, why they are not allowing us, my lord? Perhaps, my lord,
No, not all conditions. It is only the 50% condition and the district-wise bar that was waived. But the period that he is saying,
Because
2014, this has
2014.
not been waived. And
But
has
there
any
is no
candidate,
direction, my lord,
and my lord,
regarding
is there any candidate of the 20?
were having less than 50%.
my lord, then, my lord,
2014
it's
I am-
require, my lord, an investigation, my lord, because 425 candidates' name were recommended.
Hmm.
My lord, as per my knowledge, my lord, they are in not only 2009 candidate, there are some other candidates, those who got empanelment under compassionate appointment.
Hmm.
Those are not the under the 2009, my lord.
Hmm.
Since,
No,
my lord,
1 minute. Tell me, Mr. Prasad, if they take admission in the private colleges, not the government-sponsored ones,
Yes.
where is your problem?
My lord, regarding their admission in the colleges or to going for training, my lord, what I am on, my lord, first of all, 644 name of the list, my lord, that was that which was, my lord, forwarded to the, my lord, board by the council, my lord, that was a list approved by the chairman, my lord. In that particular list, nobody, my lord, is who is my lord, it take 2014 candidates, my lord, nobody is having that position in that particular list.
Where is the bar?
My lord, what I am on, my lord, regarding the correction, my lord, because
Tell me, is there any bar?
my lord, the difficulty, my lord,
my
which
lord,
I have
kindly turn
said,
to page 97 once, my lord.
and my lord,
This is a notification issued by the chairman, District Primary School Council, Malda, to the sub-inspector of school, my lord. The subject, my lord. The online application as well as the admission for DLA training of in-service teacher.
There is
no bar, my lord. And, my lord, kindly turns to page 32 once.
Now, my lord, kindly consider.
Kindly
which my learned
visualize the
which
situation.
my learned friend is showing, page 97. Kindly consider, my lord, there are two memos were referred. One is 2nd of July 2024,
Yes.
and another is WPA number 14571 of 2024. It is, my lord, this particular WPA, these are the person who are 2009 recruiting.
Doesn't matter. It hardly matters.
And my lord, what I am on, my lord, in the earlier order, my lord has observed that they ought to be permitted.
Yes.
No, ought to be means, my lord,
Ought to be
mandatory
permitted. What means a command?
Hmm.
There is no such a thing that we cannot give any condition. My lord, what I am on, my lord, whether they have applied at all, they have to apply first.
How can they apply? Your portal is not accepting their application.
No, my lord, the issue is, my lord, the portal is now the portal is open for all.
Has it been opened?
My lord, that I cannot say because
Then
the board can say, because I am not operating the portal.
the petitioners say that they cannot apply online.
Unless, my lord,
Unless that portion is properly reframed.
unless, my lord,
Because,
the chairman DPSC issued no objection,
My lord,
allow
no
us to-
objection will come
because we are
later on.
in-service. It
Until
is not
unless
we
you
are
will
fresh can-
apply, my lord, to
Mr. Prasad, they
Yes.
cannot apply till the portal is made
My lord,
in such a manner that they can put in the
my lord, it is
data.
open to all. Then it is open to all because regarding the why this application is not accepted, my lord, regarding the what is the difficulties in the portal, because portal we are not
You may not,
My
but
lord,
then why should the petitioners suffer?
my lord, our function is to just to give them my lord, release order so that they can go to the colleges and to get the my lord, training. Now, my lord, first at the precondition is that they have to apply first. Offline, online, my lord,
You are accepting offline applications?
my lord, the offline application has to be filed before the board itself, subject to correction, my lord, because the board is the application has to be made before the portal itself or offline before the board itself. This is the thereafter our role came, my lord, we will accordingly, my lord, we will issue the release order. If my lord will give me some time, because my one communication, my lord, I'm coming, my lord, give me some 15 minutes time so that I
Alright.
can take instruction on this particular issue.
Very well.
my lord, may I, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, if the contention of Mr. Prasad is correct, then, my lord, there is no requirement of issuance of the panel of 425 candidates. My lord, as per Mr. Prasad, my lord, they have to take admission first. Thereafter, they will issue no objection certificate or release order, whatever may be the fact. My lord, my lord, by page 97, the panel which was published starts from page 98. My lord, they have not taken admission. This is the intimation that you are hereby allowed to take admission, my lord. Then there is no requirement of preparing this panel. And, my lord, another thing, my lord, I want to rely page 86. My lord, this is the order passed by the coordinate bench of this Honorable High Court, my lord. From this order, my lord, the West Bengal Board of Primary Education has taken steps for, my lord,
Training,
my lord. My lord, here, my lord, exactly similar situation, my lord. My lord, may I, my lord? All the petitioners have been appointed in the year 2021 under the recruitment process conducted by the District Primary School Council, Malda, for the year 2009. The appointment of the petitioner, various orders passed by the court. My lord, those candidates are appointed in the year 2021, my lord, pursuant to the order passed by the Honorable Court. Now, my lord, kindly turns to another order passed by the Honorable High Court. Yes, my lord, page 32. Exactly similar. We are the candidate of 2014 TET. My lord, after giving issuing appointment letter, my lord, subsequently the chairman district primary school council withheld our appointment letter. We have approached the Honorable High Court and pursuant to the direction.
No, I have followed. Mr. Prasad, take instructions.
Yes.
At 2 o'clock, I'll take it, or 1 o'clock?
My
If
lord,
the resolution is already there,
yes,
1 o'clock will be all right.
And my lord, only one thing, my lord. My lord, there is no dispute that all those who are not having the training, we have to give them training. But the difficulty, my lord, that we are facing, my lord, 644 candidates. As on date, my lord, we are sending 644 candidates, 2009 recruiting. The list that my learned friend is repeatedly harping on, this is not the final list which was sent to the board. 644 names were containing only 2009 recruitment process. That was the list finalized by the chairman, my lord. It was sent to the my lord, board. Now, my lord, the difficulty that we are going to face, my lord, if 644 candidates we have to release. Now, my lord, we have to manage the affairs of the school. We are going to give them training, my lord, in phase manner. We are not giving them training because of they have to be trained.
They are first fearing their job.
Because 5 years embargo is there.
Right. They are fearing for their job. Try to understand their side of the story also. You give phase-wise training, no difficulty, but they are trying to protect their job, And these candidates are from the 2009 recruitment process batch, but because of the court proceedings and everything, they got held up.
My lord, they were subject to correction. They are not 2009. They are 2014, which recruitment process was followed in 2020, 2021. Even my lord, today.
Very well, you take a decision that they will be given training in the next session or whatever.
Yes,
at
my
least
lord.
so that their jobs are protected.
Yes, it has to be. Because my lord, another issue, my lord, that are facing, my lord, there are 1,000 people are there in there who are not trained.
My lord,
Now, my lord,
2000
if we are going to give
it is the submission of the chairman, my lord. 2014 untrained candidate have already, their training has already been completed in 2017.
The 14 batch, they have completed
Already
training because
completed.
these candidates.
Since we are
were
applying
away.
from court's order subsequent to the
It is
training.
because of this reason that they are fearing. So at least let them also be pacified.
Yes, Malota. And as Malota, the commissioner has issued a notice. Then Malota, let me give.
Come at 1 o'clock.
At 1 p.m. Malota.
All right.
Since Commissioner of School Education also my lord realized the
we
situation
are
of
not
the petitioner, my lord.
The issue, Malot, the concern that is there, that is going in their mind, Malot, I have expressed before your lordship on instruction, because we have to run the school also. I'm good.
But it is also the identical matter as that of my learned friend, DLED, lordships I will cover.
Has admission been given?
No, South
Why?
Governor has not done.
Why? What is the reason?
No response. I have communicated the order of your lordship. They have given a.
Did you apply?
I applied by a offline.
Yes.
Offline we applied to that. That is also a part of the petition.
Yes.
But no response was given by them as yet.
Very well. We'll see tomorrow.
Six. 36. 37. 38.
Don't call the other matters. There is a matter fixed at 2. Leave. To be mentioned. সমর্পণ কবিরাজ ও এটা 115 এ ফিক্স করা আছে আর একটা 2 PM এ একটা লিভ দিলাম না 2 PM এর লিভ যেটা আছে সেটা একটা সাপ্লিমেন্টারি লিস্ট বেরোবে তো টাইমটা আপনি 1 o'clock করে দিন and intimate the learned advocate for the petitioner that will be taken up at 1. ঠিক আছে কোনো কমিউনিকেশন আসেনি আজকে নট টুডে হয়েছে কালকে লিস্টে থাকুক কালকে যদি কালকে আমরা অর্ডার করে দেব অ্যালাউ করলাম কখন অ্যালাউ করলাম না কেন মেনশন দিস ইজ ফর নন প্রসিকিউশন
May it please your lordship.
Might appear for the college.
The college and the petitioners, they are sailing in the same boat. My lord, college, petitioners are students of the college. Now, my lord, kindly sees this page 129. Now, this is the schedule, my lord, published by the university, indicating that today is the exams.
Where are the students now?
You know, the students, I'll tell you, lordship. 54 students are before your lordship today.
Yes.
54 students, my lord. Previously, 96 students had 97 students had approached your lordship's court on Friday. And, my lord, this was the order made by your lordship's court, my lord,
133.
at page 133.
Additional court fees have not been paid.
My lord, we'll pay it. We'll pay it.
Hmm. Yes, 129 you showed me, and then
133.
133. Yes.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner submits as follows. The university authorities have raised objection to the issuance of admit cards for sitting in the first semester examinations on the ground. The required requisite number of classes for the semester were not undergone by the students. However, there is ample material to show that this is important. That requisite number of classes were undergone. A physical verification of the records would make this amply clear. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the university submit that in such event, the university is agreeable to hold physical verification at its campus in South Calcutta on 20th July between 10:30 to 2:30 for balance of convenience and in the interest of justice. The students shall be at liberty to visit the campus for physical verification of their records accompanied by college authorities. That is the petitioners as well as the college. In the event the records are found satisfactory, the university shall issue, if necessary, manually provisional admit cards and the registration document for the students to be able to sit for the examinations. Here, now, my lord, after your lot, my lord, there is, this matter has some checkered history.
No, without going into the history, the examination has possibly started.
No, I want to sit for the 2:30 examination because I can persuade your lordship. Kindly sees what they are doing. They're playing with everyone.
12:30 examination.
The 12:30 examination, they will be, if I can persuade your lordship, then in that event, the only option, because they have taken examination, money from us.
Yes.
From all the students.
Hmm.
Now, please kindly come to page 30.
Listen, it is a 2 years course and the fees have also been paid.
I am requesting, my lord, to kindly not fall into, this, they are merrily doing this despite the fact that, the Honorable, the Chief Justice in an application, please come to page 30.
Yes.
Please see, we have this college had filed CAN 49. CAN 49 is at the instance of this college in connection with this writ petition.
This writ petition?
Yes, this public
At the
investigation.
instance of the college, my lord, the
It's a
application.
bill.
Yes, the bill was there. In connection with the bill, these are the number of applications which were taken out.
Who filed this bill? Alok Chakraborty?
Alok Chakraborty is a guardian who claimed that there is infrastructural mismanagement and deficiency in these colleges.
All right.
Be that as it may, in all these applications, the institutions appear to have submitted their applications for provisional affiliation with the, I'm just sorry, 18th April 2024 for provisional affiliation with the respondent university, and the grievance is that the link for admitting the students has not been opened. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent on instruction submit that certain bank statements which were produced by certain institutions who are the applicants are manufactured documents and the university is unable to verify its authenticity. Therefore, it is prayed that the appropriate direction should be issued to furnish original bank statements duly certified by the bank, liberty to the university to verify the correctness of these documents, of those statements directly from the bank.
What you want to show?
Ultimately, yes, this portion in the middle. The bank, and thereafter all the teachers in the shall appear in person before the officials of the respondent university on the date so fixed along with original proof of identity, and upon satisfactory compliance of all conditions, the university will grant provisional affiliation affiliation. The statement made on behalf of the university is tenable and acceptable since the authenticity of the teaching staff to be verified. Therefore, there will be direction to the applicant institutions in all these applications to submit original statements, etc. Upon receiving the same, the university is granted 3 more days to verify the authenticity from the respective banks. Upon satisfactory verification, the university shall inform the email fixing a date and time on which the applicant institution shall ensure that all the teaching and non-teaching staff of the concerned institutions are physically present. Upon satisfactory compliance of all the conditions, the respondent university is directed to pass appropriate orders. It is needless to say the respective banks, etc. Now, apropos, after this, the affiliation link was sent to this college.
On 6th May 20.
On 6th May 2024. On 10th May 2024, the students got admitted. And Milord, it was not only admitted, the university in its website indicated that these are the students who were admitted. I'll show your lordship those documents. Now, please kindly come.
So, if you say that 10th May admission took place.
Affiliation fee was paid on the 10th.
Affiliation fee by the college?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
The college got affiliated on the 10th.
On 6th May.
6th. And you collected money from the students on the 10th of May.
10th May, my lord, it was confirmed by the college, the university, that their admission is regularized.
Admission was regularized.
Yes.
So prior to that, you could not have attended college?
I'm saying that. Yes, I could not have. Now, after this, starting from page 36 to...
How many days classes did you...
we have attended 77 classes. 77 classes.
Up till
I'll just answer your lordship one by one. The registration process is over. All the students have been registered. Their names also figure at page 91 in the list of admitted applicant list. All these students. Now, page 131. Please come.
No, just have to 138.
Huh?
131.
131. Bottom. Please see, it is hereby notified to all concerned. This is 9th July. Affiliated colleges under such and such, the filling up of examination forms, and ignores it. Percentage of attendance condonation fee. As my lord very kindly got it, 500. Review fee, etc. ignores it. Then, asterisk. Attendance condonation fee is to be given by the candidates with attendance below 80%, up to 50% in theory, and 90% up to 50% in practicum papers. Candidates with attendance below 50 in any of the theory and practical are not eligible for appearing. So, my lord, with this understanding, my lord, the order came to be passed, taking note of page 130. Now, kindly see 130, please.
100 days.
This is 100 days of classes per semester. This is there. Despite that, they indicated 131. Now, having regard to 131, 133 came to be passed. The order made by your lordship's court on the 19th. Then on the 20th, my lord, these students, my lord, 97 students did not go. Let us take it. The time is earmarked, 10:30 to 2:30 hours. On the 20th, my lord, these students who are before your lordship today, they paid a visit, paid the examination forms also at page 130. 135. Examination fees for first semester. This receipt was issued by the university. Then suddenly the admit cards were awaited. The admit cards were supposed to be given in terms of your lordship's order on verification. And apropos page 131, 500 rupees condonation, all things said and done. We were just awaiting the admit cards to be issued. In fact, I am instructed to make this submission. In the previous round, I appeared for the college. College and university, we are the same. College and the students. Now, on instructions, I am submitting this, that it was indicated fairly that admit cards will be issued on Monday. On Monday, suddenly this order is passed at page 136. Kindly looks into the nature of the order. Ignores the figures, 54, 46, kindly ignores. Kindly read the tenor of the order.
Yes.
So therefore, my lord, this 100-day thing cannot be insisted today with deepest of respect, because my lord, there is a power of condonation. I'm sorry.
This 100-day condonation was done by the university itself on 9th of July, page 139.
Yes. Knowing fully well, my lord, we got admitted on the 10th of May. Knowing fully well that we got registered thereafter.
54 candidates were present. Out of 54, form fill-up was done by 52. 46 they joined the college on 10th of May. Would not have gone, so they will not be eligible. As was done by such and such. The false declaration, impossible to get admission. So, all right.
Now, my lord, this being the position, I am only requesting and beseeching your lordship, my lord, to kindly fall back to the routine.
Page 131.
131.
129.
129, I'm sorry, my lord, 129.
Yes.
I have got an examination today at 2:30 to 4 p.m. And day after, tomorrow, day after are all examinations. My lord, let these students provisionally appear, subject to the result of the writ petition. My lord, their results might not be published. My lord, let us take a chance. Let them file an affidavit. What is their, my lord, entire thing. I am agreeable for that.
1 minute. Tell me one thing. Page 131.
131 and 130.
136. 131.
131. These two pages, an interplay of reading of these two pages.
130, 131 is same, more or less the same. Condonation is there, and the 136.
Please see what is 131.
Yes.
But what is to be done is during the entire session or not during the entire semester period, one has to attend full classes. What is condonable is below 80% up to 50%. So the session started in October 2023. So this has to be read as the minimum cutoff period of 100 days attendance. Nothing below 100 days.
She argument that they did not advance on that day.
This is NCT regulations. We can't modify it.
Yes.
So from October 2023 till 2024 May or June, whoever might not have attended the full session, he or she is allowed a condonation below 80% or 50% of the full attendance. Subject to minimum of 100 days. That's the reading of 130.
Here the college got affiliated in May. 6th.
6 May.
10th May, you say that the affiliation is complete and it is granted. Whatever. Admission of the students also took place on the 10th of May.
Taken place before that.
Could not have taken place, and they admit that it is on 10th of May that the admission took place. From 10th, they attend classes, they say.
He says that he attended 77 or 87 days.
77 days. So from the 50% you say, how many total classes were held?
50% is for the full session, not subject to 100 days.
Not subject to?
100 days is the minimum requirement. That's the minimum relaxed number of days that one student must have to attend classes for the purpose of taking the examination. This 50% or 80% is in the context of the full attendance for the entire session or the semester period. But this is subject to 100 days.
So nothing below 100.
Below 100. A student appearing for 1 day, taking a class for 1 day.
Yes. Nothing below 100 days, and this 50% is relatable to the
entire semester.
6 months. Why was the admission, why was the examination fee taken from them, will you say? University, page 135, accepted the examination fee of the students. Why?
Your Lordship will be pleased to find that they are all
52 into 600.
135 is for the entire college.
Yes, 135 is for the entire college. Now, why was it taken?
No.
Could not have.
Not for the entire college, we're not just interrupting him.
600.
52 into 600.
52 into
52
600.
students.
How many are there total?
52 students had, out of 97 who came to your lordship's court, 54 went.
So this registration process was still ongoing. Please see the date on which note this amount was paid, 20th of July 2024.
Yes. On the date of the date, the court directed the candidates to go over there on the said date only, 20th.
20th, yes, 20th.
Huh?
Now I'm not
On verification, it is found. If it is found that they have not attended 100 classes, not some of them had gone, please come to page 136. The second paragraph, during physical verification, 54 candidates were present. Out of these 54 students, form fill up was done by 52 students. Out of these 52 students, 46 gave self-declaration that they joined the college in May 2024, which means that they have not completed 100 mandatory days of conduct.
No, they admit.
So on 22nd or 21st of June, this was 21st of July, this was verified.
Yes.
That the college had sent this, not we had verified this on 21st of July. And please come to page 133, the order of the Honorable Court.
And tell me one thing, the examination schedule, which is there at 129.
129.
First half, second half, is it the same paper?
No,
different papers. So the petitioner says that he'll take the 230 examination. What will happen to the 12?
Well, that examination I have missed. For that, my lord, an arrangement has to be made. In the event, I am, my lord.
Arrangement has already been made by the college where both conditions can be taken care of. Your 100 days attendance can also be taken care of if you give the examination first semester and second semester together at the same time. Where is the difficulty?
The difficulty is, my lord,
arrange a supplementary examination.
Supplementary examination, the students, my lord, for the rest of their career, this will be appearing in their this mark sheet that it is a supplementary examination that
hardly matters.
Well, it does. Well, I cannot explain the situation from this side. Well, these colleges, they have to face the students also and kindly visualize the situation that, my lord, the university consciously allowed this admission to take place in the month of May, consciously accepted the fees in the month of May, consciously registered the students in the month of May,
Conscious in May, not admission.
Yes,
Lord, please,
May, 10th
Lord,
May.
please see page 54. I will request my senior
1 minute.
to kindly go
If the affiliation is not given, then the admission also.
So therefore, my lord, please see page 54 once, 54 and onwards, all these documents. This is not issued by me. This is by the Ambedkar University. It says the date of payment is 6th of May.
Because at that point of time, the
link was given. The link was given. Now, my lord, kindly balance the probabilities. But I am not saying anything. I am saying, my lord, let us participate in this examination. In the event, my lord, we are unable to persuade in the at the final release.
Participation will become difficult.
My lord, participation from tomorrow may not be from today. From tomorrow.
How does it matter? You sit for the examination.
Let them have a fresh examination for us next week or week after next, any day convenient.
No, they will
not a
arrange,
supplementary.
They
Not
will
a
arrange
supplementary.
for an examination. They say they will arrange for an examination for these type of students.
The issue is, my lord, that examination would have to be treated as subject to correction by your lordship, my lord.
Not as a supplementary examination,
as a regular examination.
That
As a
cannot
regular
be possible. That cannot be possible. I do not know whether the university will take 2 regular examinations.
That will be some sort of a different nomenclature has to be assigned.
It's something.
Or a special examination, something of that sort. A balance has to be struck. You know, kindly visualize the position.
But not for the time being, not.
But kindly, my lord, prima facie.
Their admission that they don't fulfill the NCT regulation.
According to me, my lord, subject to what he says, my lord, according to me, my lord, I have a prima facie case for, my lord, an interim order.
No, admittedly, 100 days you did
The
not.
100 days issue was before the court on the 19th. I am telling you, lordship, I had the occasion to appear. Mr. Mojumdar had the
No,
occasion.
I understand, but admittedly, 100 days have not been attended.
100 days, this issue, my lord, reads, my lord, page 130. My lord, I am joining issue, my lord. Kindly falls back to 130 and 131.
Yes.
As per NCT norms, 100-day classes per semester is mandatory. 100-day classes per semester is mandatory. If any student is unable to fulfill the attendance criteria, he shall not be allowed. 100 days classes is mandatory. That is their universities. This was
NCT regulation
this was also
followed by the
published.
university.
This was also published on the 9th of July.
Suppose it is not published. If the regulation is there, it's there.
131 kindly sees now.
Yes.
Attendance condonation fee is to be given by the candidates with attendance below 80% up to 50%.
What does
now,
this mean?
The total is, with respect, subject to, I may be wrong, Milord, the total number of classes held, Milord, I am telling your lordship, there are maybe 6,000 colleges. out of these 6,000 colleges, more than 5,000 colleges, got the affiliation, sometimes in the month of May, June, because kindly looks into the number of applications before the Honorable Chief Justice. 49 is my number. There were applications ranging up to 100. So, there were various colleges at various points of time and affiliations were granted. So, knowingly, the university has consciously granted affiliation link to all these colleges in the first week of May, knowing fully well that some balance ought to have been struck by not conducting the examination and publishing an examination schedule in the month of June, indicating the examination to be in the month of July. They could have postponed the examination to the month of August so as to enable these students.
And what about the students who took admission in
There
proper time?
There are hardly any students who have taken admission. I'm
with
grateful. If your lordship conducts an inquiry, if the authorities are not directed to appear, the cat will come out of the bag, if I may say so with respect.
With only 77 days, what have you learned and what examination will you give?
The issue is in this, please see page 131.
Yes.
What are the total number of classes? I could have understood that there are 500 classes or 300 classes. 50% is 150. Below 50%, I can't. It presupposes that 100 days has to be 50%, bare minimum. What is 100 days? Whether it is 50%, whether it is 70%, whether it is 90% of the total number of classes, we don't know.
Doesn't matter. At least 100 working days, the student should have been there in the class.
So, kindly also look at it from this angle. This does not say, page 131 does not refer to 100 days. I put this question entirely to myself. Does it refer to 100 days?
Our class is more than 50%.
Our classes are definitely more than 50% of the total number of classes.
Total number of classes, your affiliation was in May.
What is
and
the meaning of
the examination?
I put this question to myself. What is the meaning of 131? Attendance issue, your lordship will not condone. That is the law laid down in Amit Jalan's case, division bench.
Right.
And upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court. I cannot say regarding attendance. But what does 131 exactly mean? That is something which is troubling all of us. 131 must be having a meaning. What is 50%? What is the total? What is the total? I put this question to myself. If you have granted affiliation to a college in the month of June, in the month of May, how is the 50% to be achieved at? And how will a college not achieve 100% attendance? 100
Listen,
classes?
you're sitting in one examination or from tomorrow the examination will not, you will not get the certificate.
Provisionally, no, yes.
Not get
Let the results not be
certificate,
published. Let it be examined by the court. In the event we fail, we will have to sit for the next examination.
What is the use? A failed candidate and sitting for the first time, what makes a difference?
Perhaps it does.
It does make a difference, right? So let them find out as to how these students can be accommodated.
Let them. These students have to be, with greatest of respect, after accepting the fees, some promise, something is generated in the minds of the students also. But a legitimate expectation, case is also made out somewhere.
With 77 days, you attend you sit in the examination. I don't know how much you all have learned and what you will teach to the future students of yours.
Maybe, I could say it in this way. These colleges were all functioning in 2023, up to 2023. This affiliation issue this is not a newly affiliated college. All these colleges were existing colleges. They have been functioning, some of these colleges. My college, I can take instructions, it must be functioning at least for the last 5-7 years.
Even
now,
if you did not take admission.
Admission was taken, maybe it was not regularized.
No, you have
I
said
could not have, the regularization part comes only when it is affiliated.
77 days you have attended.
Yes, officially,
so
yes. Officially, yes.
With that, the
kindly strike a balance. I am beseeching your lordship, let us appear from tomorrow without prejudice to our rights. Or kindly ask them to give it.
What is the solution the college can come up with? The university can come up with.
But I suggest within a month or 2 months time, we can conduct a special examination for all these candidates who have not appeared or who are prevented by saying that the college is deficient or whosoever may be deficient. But we conduct a special examination. We verify all the credentials and eligibility in the meantime, subject to the colleges furnishing within 1 month's time or 2 weeks' time all the details. But his case is different. But he has not attended classes. But there are a host number of cases before your lordship, various types of cases. But we conduct a separate examination for them.
I would like to have something in writing from your either controller of examinations or the registrar, whoever.
There is a.
Have you put up a note?
Yes, there is a.
What does it say?
সেটা কি দিয়েছে জানো?
You must be having it. Check out
Online.
the portal of the university.
Website.
Check up.
ওয়েবসাইটে দেখ আমার কাছে নেই ইউনিভার্সিটির অফিসিয়াল ওয়েবসাইট
The candidates who are permitted to sit for the ongoing B.Ed examination first semester exam as per order of the Honorable Court, but are unable to fill up the exam form and to be present in the exam center will fill up the offline exam form, which will be sent to their colleges via mail and will be treated as enrolled candidate. It implies that though they were found absent, they can sit for the forthcoming B.Ed first semester supplementary examination and will not lose one session 1 year. This will be subject to verification of the credentials and eligibility of these candidates by the university within 1 month from the colleges furnishing all details and required documents to the university. If any candidate is found ineligible on verification, his or her candidature will be rejected.
No, but then they fall in a different footing.
I beg your lordship, sir.
They fall in a different footing, these petitioners.
They have not attended 100 days classes.
Yes.
Notice says that they are not eligible to apply for the.
The note that you read out,
Yes.
there may be candidates who fall in the same footing as that of the petitioners, not attending 100 days classes.
Same, we can arrange the same for them. He's moving it now. We can attend. Not this is taking care of the orders passed till yesterday. We can still take care of them along.
No, he already got an order on Friday. Thereafter, he verified and found that 100 days classes was not there, and that is the reason there was deficiency on the part of the students themselves and not the college this time. Right?
But they can be also accommodated in this process. In the meantime, they will definitely complete 100 is minimum requirement. It is expected at least.
No, 100 days per semester. The semester ends here. They will not be able to get the 100 days, even if they continue till the next semester. Do you get that?
The examination is for them.
Yes. So how do you get over
Colleges
this?
can not, in certain cases, the colleges had conducted extra or special classes for the students. That is on affidavit they said so.
So you want the 77 to be stretched to 100 at the
for
instance
purpose
of the college?
Fulfilling this.
No,
Right.
that will be very
This
improper.
said so on oath before this honorable.
No,
court.
So
we
in
are-
this matter, they have not said.
we are if I accept their case, we are in shortfall of 23 classes at best. 23 classes, assuming 100 and this figure is correct. 50% I do not have any meaning of this. It carries no meaning according to me.
It definitely carries a meaning. You cannot say that it doesn't. It is
50%
always
is zero.
50% of what? I put this question, what?
Of the semester period.
CBSE has a curriculum. Below this. This cannot be college specific. It has to
It
be
is-
university.
Yes, and the moment it is university specific, it is the semester. It is not the number
Kindly
of
visualize.
days.
Kindly, maybe I am wrong. We are just thinking aloud. 50% of 100 days is how much? 50.
No, it's not 50% of 100 days.
Your lordship is accepting whatever they are saying that 100
No.
days is bare minimum.
Bare minimum according to the
Let us
education
assume.
guidelines.
Let us assume. So, it has to be, there has to be a calendar, academic calendar. Academic calendar will begin from October. It will end up to July, till the exams. So, academic calendar would presuppose, all holidays and everything taken together. Then, 6 months.
Working days. It's the working days.
6 months. 6
Yes.
months working
As
day.
per the examination
There
guidelines,
should be
as per
200
the
days
court
plus.
guidelines. Not the university which had uploaded at the beginning of every semester, every course. It says semester means effective teaching work of 16 weeks, excluding admission and semester end examination period.
It has to be the working days of
16
the.
into 5. It's a 5-day week, subject to correction. So 16 into 5 is 80 days. 16 into 5 is 80 days. With
No,
a
no,
16
no,
week.
no.
He said just now.
Classes
So
have to
80,
be.
80 working days. It is 80.
We have 77.
We have 77.
No. Possibly.
No,
got it
I do
wrong.
not know, Milord. I am
Wrong.
requesting your lordship, Milord, to kindly examine this entire issue. Milord, let him come up by way of an affidavit day after tomorrow. Let him file an affidavit. We'll answer it. Your lordship would be hearing it on Friday.
If affidavit is required to be filed, we can give more time. But the thing is, interim relief that you are claiming cannot be given. The university.
My lord,
has
in the
already-
event, I can, my lord, in my humble way, try to persuade your lordship, then, my lord, some relief can be perhaps granted. What I was humbly beseeching your lordship, my lord, 129 says there's an exam tomorrow. Let us appear without prejudice.
No.
Let us appear.
This
Or
is
else, my lord,
contrary to
or else,
the
my lord, an
NCA
affidavit from their end.
guidelines.
My lord, or else an affidavit from their end, my lord, disclosing what they propose to do. They, my lord, read out something, my lord, which applies not to me. It does not apply to me. It cannot be stretched to me. It has to specifically apply to my college students.
130 applies to him.
Go through the note once again that you have released, whether this can cover the petitioners also. If it is not covered, then you can make further arrangements. I'll adjourn it till day after tomorrow. Make further arrangements so that these candidates can also be accommodated, because this 100 days period, the manner in which the university is interpreting, if that is to be taken, even in the second semester, if they go, the first semester deficit will remain. Do you get that? How to overcome?
তুমি এক্ষুনি যেটা পড়লে সেটা কি পড়লে? এই যে 16 সপ্তাহটা যেটা বললে?
এটা তো হচ্ছে
ওটা কোথায় ছিল?
কোর্স ইয়েতে।
ওটা কি বার করো?
সব কলেজে
বার করো। ফাইন্ড আউট। যেটা বলছে 16 সপ্তাহ সেটা বার করো। And why did they admit in the first place? They might not have.
The verifications were not there.
But registration was done, my lord. Upon capital
Registration, examination, fee, everything taken. Now they are showing us the door.
On the last page 20th of July, they submit. What could be done?
No, that was apropos your lordship's order, court's order.
Not the door. Not yet the door. They have kept a window open for you.
Where is the window?
So-
I put this question to myself. Where is the window?
This note, this press note.
That press note, perhaps, may not, with greatest of respect, does not apply to us. Subject to, I may be wrong, Milord.
This
Just to be
is
shown.
what the court is
Milord, if
trying
they
to.
contemplate something, let them
Yes.
put it on. Milord, let them share those documents with me.
That is the reason I
Let me
want
apply
to
my mind to
adjourn
it.
it. This is exactly the reason the court wants to adjourn this matter, so that the university can devise some modalities by which these students can be accommodated. Have you followed? Because if the what is troubling the court is if the 100 days mandatory period cannot be relaxed.
Semester means effective teaching work of 16 weeks exclusively.
Please come.
admission and semester.
Now, Milord, kindly see, Milord. Sumita is showing
The
us, Milord,
same
something
thing,
16
Mr.
weeks.
Same thing, Mr. Mazumdar read out.
Weeks is 80 days.
My lord, may I say one thing?
Milord, just Milord,
Very
kindly, kindly. We all have similar matters.
Higher education issued a notice, my lord. This is a part of, my lord, uniform curriculum structure for 2 years B.Ed program in West Bengal. It says, my lord, what is the meaning of semester? My lord, this 100 days is not a minimum, my lord. This is total 100 days I require to fulfill my first semester examination. Here says, my lord, semester means effective teaching work of 16 weeks, excluding admission and semester end examination period. Now, my lord, here also stated that we have to read 4 hours per day. So means, my lord, that this 100 days is not a minimum requirement. This is total requirement. And they are allowed us.
And you are reading this of
My lord, this is
guidelines by the
curriculum structure.
Higher
for
Education
2
Department,
years.
Government
Higher
of West Bengal.
education. This is the. This
now whether this can be made applicable, because the NCT guidelines is different.
This is not NCTE, my lord. My lord, may I
NCT
say-
guidelines is different.
My lord, NCTE mentioned in hours.
No,
My
what
lord,
is
the
mentioned here is
two
the
are the-
days.
my lord, to the authorized one recognition authority. Now the university is the examining authority, and the, my lord, the higher education is the superior to the university. This is state university, 100% aided given by the higher education. So, my lord, these, my lord, kindly see. Once, my lord, there is a. It is stated uniform curriculum structure for 2 years B.Ed program in West Bengal following NCT regulation 2014. My lord, these 100 days, they calculate this 100 days in view of this provision, my lord. My lord, kindly ask someone from the state government to appear in the matter, my lord. This is not a,
We'll add the state as a part.
this is examining body, my lord. Today, university should act properly, my lord. Should think about the students. This 50% means 50 days, my lord, and they completed 77 days, my lord. 50% of 100 days, my lord, not that 365 days, my lord.
There is an academic calendar given to.
Yes, my lord.
Please see, 1st July to 30th November.
Yes.
Theory classes, 1st December to 15th December, examination theory engagement, 16th December.
All these things are being said,
My lord,
but my lord, in the teeth of this fact that my lord, this affiliation and the admission takes place in the month of May.
Yes, my
Why
lord.
was it done? I put this question to myself. They could have asked us to wait till the next semester.
Ordinarily, they would have been allowed only in the next semester to pursue their courses.
You all accepted money from the colleges and these students, and then you did this.
20th of July.
No, with respect, no. On the 10th of May.
Yes.
Well,
10th
kindly
of
see
May.
10th of May. And on the 6th of May.
And 15th May, my lord, the registration was done, my lord.
Even in view of
And the application form also says, my lord, academic session 23-25, my lord, page 36.
even, my lord, in view of the order dated 29th May, my lord, they allowed some of the colleges for affiliation and given admission, and those students who, my lord, probably, my lord, they took admission even after in June. My lord, they got chance to sit in the examination, and I am waiting.
How do you get to know this?
Yes. That is the issue.
Yes, my lord.
A roving inquiry by your lordship would reveal everything.
My lord.
I am telling your lordship, my lord, on instructions that there are colleges which have been permitted to admit students in the month of June, and those students are appearing in the examination.
In that case, discrimination is being pleaded.
100%.
100%.
100% it is there. আচ্ছা তো আর করতে পারবে এক্ষুনি বলো তো একটা কলেজের নাম বলো
Total corruption in a state university, my lord.
It is only applicable for the particular number of colleges, those who are not trying to accommodate the fees and fees of a particular racket operated by the vice.
Now this is something else coming out.
Yes, it is. It is.
That is why
Last year, all these 100 days was there. Last year, each student paid 7,000 rupees and got the examination done.
3,000 students approached the court when we applied, when we
7,000.
Condonation fees.
Justice Chondo, up to a limit, Milord, his lordship was taking of higher education matters, up to a limit, 7,000 rupees
Yes, yes.
was accepted, and these
Actually,
students
that's what-
appeared. Ultimately, Milord, his lordship sealed at a particular day. A cutoff was made.
A single student has been allowed to participate who has been admitted in June.
They have an application.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Not a single student of June.
There was one college who had been granted, which was withdrawn later on.
My lord, I can show,
verification
my
was
lord,
with
that a college
June
does
2020.
not have, my lord, any infrastructure. They are given affiliation, admission. They allowed in a city.
That was the bill.
But
That
we are
was the
Greasing of
bill
palms,
matter.
appropriately greasing the palms would inure everything.
No, but then that was the pill. Exactly the reason for
Yes,
filing
yes,
the pill.
that was the pill.
Right? This I get, but how to accommodate these students? Because the allegations now are
He knows
lot
the
of allegations.
allegations. He knows. My senior knows everything. He knows.
The court does not know it because this
Now,
is
that is
coming
why-
for the
well,
first
that is
time.
why the university has chosen to engage Mr.
3,000 students would approach the court. Not even 300 students will
my lord,
apply for
since
verification.
November
Physical
2023.
verification, 300 students don't turn up.
No, now what is to be done
But for
with
them,
these students?
For them, not we can arrange along with the forthcoming examination.
That means what you mentioned, that the supplementary examination, it will be different.
Special examination, whatever be the coinage of what.
And you say it will be the next semester, in the second semester along with the first.
Or an interim.
Interim. How do you condone the 100 days?
No, they will take the college will arrange classes for them. Not in one of the situations. they
In
said,
that
"No,
case, the semester days will change.
No, we will hold classes on Saturdays. Their college came up with an affidavit.
Even
We will
then.
hold classes on Saturdays.
Even then, my lord,
assuming they hold classes on Saturdays, but your semester, according to the semester calendar, ends in June.
Right, but
Then
if it is a supplementary or a special examination, then not it can be extended for these particular persons who are approaching the court.
Come up with something.
Or they can be allowed to
Not
sit
all.
along with the second semester.
No.
If your lordship sees, my lord, as per their provisions, my lord, state is the authority who can advise them.
What about this
Even
16 weeks classes, minimum classes? 16 weeks means
There is a
80
time
classes.
Span. There is a time span.
No, but what has been read out, even you read out the same
I
thing.
just read it for your lordship.
No, no, Dada, আমি
It's a time
It's the same thing.
বলছি similarly circumstance লোককেও দিয়েছে
মানে
আমার তো
yes,
30th
yes.
April
এই যে দাদা দেবো
আগেরটা দেখাও যেটা দেখাও
No, he has a copy. He read out just now.
16 weeks তো
16
হ্যাঁ
weeks.
both of them are reading in
Same
tandem
thing.
same
No,
thing
it's the same
If you lordship allow
circular
me-
notification that is being read out by both of them. 16 weeks, if it is the minimum requirement, that means 80. Right? Now, out of 80, 77 has been attended.
May I just read the entire regulation. Course structure. The duration of this program is 2 academic years consisting of 4 semesters. The academic year shall commence from July of 1st of every year. Each semester is roughly of 6 months duration, including regular classes, assignments, practice teaching, and examinations. The program structure is as follows. There is a slab-wise demarcation. July to November, then December to 15 December, like this, it goes on to the second year. Admission criteria, it's there, then finally comes to the example. 4th semester. Semester means effective teaching work of 16 weeks, excluding admission and semester end examination period. 1 credit of teaching activities means 1 hour effective teaching of theory course in each week for 16 weeks. Total 16 hours teaching per credit. 1 credit per practicum or field work or internship means 2 hour effective work in each week for 16 weeks. Total 32 hours of practicum per credit. That's for the teachers as well as for the students.
So it is not that only 16 weeks and 80 days is going to help the students. Nothing of that. So there are practical classes, practice teaching, and everything is to be done. Then come back day after
I come back with
tomorrow
another solution with the persons on.
with the please come. The petitioners.
Milord, we'll put in the court fees, Milord, in course of in course of today.
The petitioners obtained an order in the earlier writ petition filed by them on 19th of July 2024, being WPA 18408 of 2024. Within bracket, Muhammad Afzal and others, page 133. Versus the name of the university, wherein the court directed that the students/petitioners shall be at liberty to visit the campus for physical verification of their records, accompanied by the college authorities, to ascertain as to whether the candidates attended the required requisite number of classes for the semester. Stop. The order of the registrar, within bracket, acting of the university, dated 22nd of July 2024, records that physical verification of the students was held on 20th of July 2024 at the university campus. Stop. It was detected that the candidates did not attend the mandatory 100 days classes and as such, they have been denied to appear in the first semester examination starting from today, 23rd. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioners submit that the students attended 77 classes and they have also paid the attendance condonation fee. Stop. The university, after accepting the said fee, ought not to debar the candidates from appearing in the ongoing first semester examination. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted that there are several other students who, without attending 100 days classes, have been permitted to take the examination. Stop. Discrimination has been pleaded. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the university seeks time to take instruction as to whether the plea of discrimination is proper or not. Paragraph. The manner in which the issue in question can be resolved by the university shall also be placed before this court on the adjourned date. Stop. Next. The matter is made returnable on 25th of July 2024.
One additional. Well, at least not the names of the colleges. Let the university disclose to your lordship. Maybe sealed envelope. I do not see how many colleges are affiliated with the university and which college has been affiliated post not January, February, March, April. Not the cat will come out of the bag because April, May, June they have affiliated colleges and they have granted this regularized with admissions. Why today? Why are we?
Did you plead? 1 minute. Did you plead discrimination?
Yes. Why?
Is the college or the college or the student?
I have said it's an arbitrary decision. Now, please bear with. Today, the colleges have to face the students. The students will not look at their position. They have paid money. They have paid their registration fees. They have paid their affiliating fees, admission fees.
No, but the students know that they did not attend the classes.
That issue is the trump card of the university. They have now developed something so as to prevent the legitimate expectation from being generated in the minds of the students. That in the event this entire process, one information will seal everyone's fate. That there are 5,800 colleges. Only this number of colleges got affiliation in the month of October. 100 days issue is pending. Everything will come out.
To decide the issue of discrimination, the university is directed to file a report by way of affidavit disclosing the number of colleges which got affiliated after the session started in the month of July, June. When did the session start?
November. October, November.
November 2023. Stop. The number of students who took admission in the midst of the session shall also be disclosed in the report. Stop. Whether the students who took admission in the midst of the session in all the colleges which got affiliated in the mid session. কি বললাম? Yes, where permitted to take part in the first semester examination shall also be mentioned in the report.
That will take some time.
Yes, I understand. This will take some time. But then
First part we can comply immediately.
first part 25th is there. এটা লিখুন তো। The report shall be prepared by 31st of July.
Matter will appear.
Day after tomorrow. But this report will come later on. Day after tomorrow to accommodate y'all as to how.
And you know, a lot of submissions over the last 8 months is going on in various courts.
With this university?
What are the submissions? Lack of infrastructure, lack of teachers. You know, if
Lack of fire certificates.
a lot of things, fire certificate. You know, one issue was there, you know, the principal is unqualified, underqualified, and therefore affiliation cannot be granted, renewed. All these issues were there. You know, one information before your lordship's court, again in a sealed envelope, how many teachers in the university are qualified? And how many students are studying in the university? There's a university department. The university has its fire license. All these things, if this information if this information comes,
does this university impart
yes,
it's a state
university. This was previously
no, whatever is previously, but the university has its own infrastructure.
And they don't have.
Yes, Mr. Mazumdar.
What does he want?
He wants a lot of information.
To what extent are the students?
He wants a lot of
But now we are
information.
not talking as a student, we are talking as a college.
As a college. That's the problem.
No, college, you give affiliation, that is separate. But then you hold classes yourself also. It's not that you are only restricting yourself to giving affiliations to colleges and they are doing their work. You do
University also imparts.
yes.
My lord, not only that, my lord,
You all
that register.
You'll have. Since this is not the issue, appeal is pending.
Mainly we run through contractual employees because the state has not allowed creation of posts. The state does not provide us fund for they have to give approval.
No, even the Calcutta University is the same thing. Calcutta University, it's all the same thing, all contractual teachers, most of them.
That is because of a different reason. That is
I don't know,
because
he
the
says same thing.
Fundamental reason is not
The state has to approve the post.
Because of this SSC problem, there is no recruitment of teachers. So the teachers are not
Paucity in the teachers.
The lordship must be reading it in the newspapers also, that even qualified academicians who are not a part of the fraternity anymore, teaching fraternity, ex-teachers, they are imparting lessons as a special teacher because of
that is
teacher.
good, better than the ill-trained ones.
That is
Better than the ill-trained ones.
So long they will come, the system will survive.
Yes, and the system is surviving for them.
For them only.
Anyway, next matter. 1 minute. Your candidate from Jharkhand.
My lord, due to the traffic congestion caused for this rain, my lord, she could not be able to reach here now.
There is already a note in the official website of the university. Please check, it may help you.
Okay, I'm saying only one liberty may I get.
That in the morning we were speaking about, you can come up with an application.
Yes, my lord, that I am coming. And only thing may I humbly submit to your lordship regarding the earlier matter, Mr. Khorshaya, my lord, kindly make it part heard. Mildly make it.
Part,
Make it.
My lord, my lord.
Kindly make it.
See, another thing, my
My
lord.
senior is also here. He will also agree.
My lord, kindly make this matter fast.
Sorry.
There is no one, my lord. to
What?
listen
No
us.
one. There is a regular bench. I am here for only 10 days. Only 10 days.
And another thing, my lord,
At 10:30.
তুমি বলো তোমার মামলাটা কবে আসবে?
25th, 10:30.
It will be there at the top. Don't worry. Because original side matters are there, it will be there at the top.
But I'm coming with the application on Monday, my lord.
I don't know what. Not in person to your lordship's order, but the ADO block withdrawn COD is personally appearing before your lordship with respect of. This is
I told you to join online. Why are you here personally?
He was in afraid whether he'll get the line or not. That's why personally he has come.
Because he is not the contemptor. He is not required to come.
I tend to appear virtually, but he himself has come with the.
Anyway, what I wanted to know is.
Not your lordship, kindly see.
No, Mr. Ganguly, I want to interact with him. You please move. I want to speak to him.
Not your lordship, kindly see.
Wait, I want to speak to him. Let him come forward.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম আমি
হুম।
কালকে ম্যাডাম আমি ফিজিক্যালি কালকে দেখতে গিয়েছিলাম প্লান্টেশন যেটা চারা লাগিয়েছে সেখানে গিয়ে যেটা দেখলাম ম্যাডাম 122টা চারা সবগুলোই লাগিয়েছে 3টে জায়গায় লাগিয়েছে একটা হচ্ছে পাহাড়েশ্বর পার্কের মধ্যে 63
এর আগে মিউনিসিপ্যালিটির থেকে না আপনাদের থেকে একটা রিপোর্ট এসেছিল যে 122টা চারার মধ্যে 120টা মারা গেছে।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম হ্যাঁ
এবারে কি আপনারা নতুন চারা
দিয়েছি ম্যাডাম নতুন চারা আমরা দিয়েছি আবার
সেটা কিন্তু ডিরেকশন ছিল না আপনি সুমোটো নিজের থেকে দিয়েছেন ভালো করেছেন
ম্যাডাম
আমার উদ্দেশ্য ছিল ওইখানেতে গ্রিনারিটাকে একটু বাড়ানোর জন্য সেই কারণেই আমি ডিএফওর ওপরেই আমি ভরসা করেছিলাম যে উনি দেখতে পারবেন যাতে গ্রিনটা থাকে মানে গাছগুলো বেঁচে থাকে মিউনিসিপ্যালিটি যতটা দায়িত্ব নেবে ডিএফও তার থেকে বেশি দায়িত্ব নেবে বলে কোর্টের মনে হয়েছিল ঠিক আছে এবার 122টা চারা কি বেঁচে আছে
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম বেঁচে আছে সবগুলোই কিন্তু একটা প্লটে 10টা চারা কিছুতে পাতাগুলো খেয়েছে যেটা আমি
খেয়েছে
দেখে মোস্ট প্রবাবলি হয়তো গোট হবে
গোট
মোস্ট প্রবাবলি ম্যাডাম
তাহলে ওখানে সাইডে কোনো
ম্যাডাম ও বাউন্ডারি ওয়াল আছে গেটও আছে
জাল দিয়ে একটা বেড়া করার কথা ছিল তো
হ্যাঁ সেটা করেনি সেটা ওরা বলছে করার প্রয়োজন নেই বিষয়টা রিপোর্ট দিয়েছে বলছে এটা করতে হবে না বাউন্ডারি ওয়াল আছে
করতে হবে না তো ছাগলের চারা খেয়ে
চলে আছে কিন্তু তারপরেও দেখলাম 10টা খেয়েছে চারা আমরা করতে বলেছি আমরা বারবার করতে বলি চিঠি দিয়েছি দুবার চিঠি মাঝে প্লেস করেছি টিকাট করতে বলছি
আচ্ছা
টিকাট না করলে ম্যাডাম যেটা হবে ধরুন একদম পারফেক্ট প্রোটেকশনটা হবে না ধরুন গেট থাকছে পার্ক আছে পার্কের মধ্যে যা স্টাফ থাকে তারা দেখাশোনা করছে তারা যখন চলে যাচ্ছে সেই সময় তো ফাঁকা হয়ে যাচ্ছে
পার্কটা গেট নেই পার্কে গেট নেই
গেট আছে
তাহলে অন্য সময় কি করে কেউ ঢুকবে
ম্যাডাম গেট তো ধরুন লক করছে না একটা গেট যেটা আমি দেখলাম একটা গেট গ্রিল গেট রয়েছে গ্রিল গেটের নিচের মধ্যে একটা গ্যাপ আছে
ওকে সেখান থেকে
গ্যাপ দিয়ে ছাগল ঢোকানো এটা ওরা বোধহয় অবজার্ভই করে আমি কালকে গিয়ে অবজার্ভ করে ওদেরকে দেখিয়ে দিলাম যে এই আছে বললো ওটা বন্ধ করে দেবো
এই গাছগুলো জিও ট্যাগ করা যাবে জিও ট্যাগ করুন I want to see whether the trees are survive or not. বোঝা গেল কোর্টের উদ্দেশ্যটা কি আপনি বুঝতে পারছেন সবুজায়ন করার জন্য যদি গাছ ছাগলে খেয়ে চলে যায় তাহলে কোর্টের উদ্দেশ্য কিন্তু সফল হবে না অ্যান্ড মিউনিসিপ্যালিটি কিন্তু একটা ফাইন হিসেবে এই টাকাটা দিয়েছে যেটাকে আমরা কাজে লাগাচ্ছি যদি কাজেই না লাগে তাহলে তো কোনো উদ্দেশ্য নেই অর্ডারগুলো পাস করার সেই কারণে আপনাকে এটা জিও ট্যাগ করার ব্যবস্থা করতে হবে সো দ্যাট দি কোর্ট অ্যান্ড ইউ ক্যান অলসো সি যে গাছগুলো কিরকম কন্ডিশন আছে বুঝতে পেরেছেন এইটুকুই জানার ছিল আপনার থেকে আপনার ফিজিক্যালি আসার কোনো দরকার ছিল না যদি লিঙ্ক নাও পাওয়া যেত আমি পরে আপনার জন্য অ্যাডজার্ন করে নিতাম যেহেতু আপনি কন্টেম্পটার নয় আই ওয়ান্টেড অনলি ইয়োর সাজেশন অ্যাজ টু হাউ দিস গ্রিনারি ক্যান বি সেভড ঠিক আছে প্লিজ কাম আপনারা কি ঘুরে ঘুরে দেখেন যে গাছগুলোর কি হয় বা না হয় আপনাদের এফরেস্টেশনের কোনো প্ল্যান বা প্রোগ্রাম হয়
ম্যাডাম আমরা দেখি আমরা সবাই আমাদের সব লেভেলের একদম গ্রাউন্ড লেভেলের স্টাফ যারা আছে তারা তো রেগুলার বেসিসে বিভিন্ন জায়গায় দেখে আর আমরা মাঝে মাঝে অকেশনালি যখন টাইম পাই গিয়ে দেখে আসি
আপনাদের কি কোনো লিস্ট আছে কোথায় কি গাছ আছে কি কতটা আপনারা দেখছেন কোন স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স
ম্যাডাম আমাদের ফরেস্ট ল্যান্ডের মধ্যে যেটা আছে সেটার পুরো রেকর্ড আমাদের থাকে
হ্যাঁ
ফরেস্ট ল্যান্ডের বাইরে আমরা প্ল্যান্টেশন করি না
ফরেস্ট ল্যান্ডের ভেতর রেকর্ডস আছে
হ্যাঁ
কতগুলো গাছ আছে কি গাছ আছে
সেটা নেই ম্যাডাম আমাদের হেক্টর হিসাবে আমাদের ধরুন প্রত্যেক বছরে কত হেক্টর আমরা গাছ লাগালাম কোন এরিয়াতে
এবার কোন গাছটা বাঁচলো আর কোন গাছটা মরে গেল
সেটা ম্যাডাম আমাদের আলাদা মনিটরিং উইং আছে ফার্স্ট ইয়ার থার্ড ইয়ার ফিফথ ইয়ার 3বার মনিটরিং করে তারা তার রিপোর্ট দেয়
এখানে কি কি গাছ লাগানো হয়েছিল
এখানে ম্যাডাম লিস্ট পুরো দেয়া আছে 122টা
আচ্ছা
ফার্স্ট পেজ
আম জাম কাঁঠাল শিশু চালতা বট অশ্বত্থ এদের এই গাছগুলো কি মেইনটেনেন্স ফ্রি
না ম্যাডাম মেনটেন্স সব গাছেরই লাগবে,
সব গাছেরই
Maintenance free বলে
লাগবে।
কোনো গাছেরই হয় না। যতটা ভালো মেনটেন্স করা যাবে ততই গাছগুলো গ্রোথ হবে ভালো এবং সার্ভাইভাল ভালো থাকবে।
না, যে গাছগুলোর মেনটেনেন্স একদম
কম ম্যাডাম,
কম,
এটা কম, এগুলোর কম।
কারণ এই গাছগুলো মিউনিসিপ্যালিটি মেনটেন করবে কিনা আমার খুব সন্দেহ আছে। অতএব এমন কোনো গাছ লাগাতে হবে যেগুলোর মেনটেনেন্স ফ্রি এবং সার্ভাইভাল রেট ইজ মোর। বুঝতে পেরেছেন?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম,
বুঝতে পেরেছেন?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম, এই গাছগুলো ঠিক আছে, আপনি যেটা বলছেন
ঠিক আছে।
মেনটেন্স কম আছে, মেনটেন্স অনেক বেশি মেনটেন্স লাগে না, আর এগুলো সার্ভাইভালও ভালো।
সার্ভাইভাল রেট গুড।
কাঁঠাল ফাটাল শাল ফাল দিয়ে।
হ্যাঁ,
আচ্ছা লিখুন। আপনার কি নাম?
নাম বলুন।
আমার নাম শ্রীকান্ত ঘোষ, আমি এডিএফও
ডিভিশন
ডিভিশন।
ADFO, আচ্ছা, শ্রী শ্রীকান্ত ঘোষ, the Assistant Divisional Forest Officer, Birbhum Division, is personally present in court. Stop. It has been submitted that the that field inspection was conducted and a status report regarding survival of the seedlings have been filed. Stop. The same is taken on record. Stop. The ADFO is directed to geotag the trees so that the court and the forest officers can keep a track with regard to the growth, maintenance, growth and maintenance of the said trees. Stop. Paragraph. A quarterly report with regard to the survival of the trees shall be forwarded to the court on regular basis. কোয়ার্টারলি বেসিসে একটা করে রিপোর্ট পাঠাবেন আর জিও ট্যাগিং করে সেই ছবিগুলো কিন্তু পাঠাবেন যে গাছগুলো বেঁচে আছে। বুঝতে পেরেছেন?
ম্যাডাম ওই 122টা গাছে ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল সবগুলো ছবি পাঠাবো না, একটা জায়গা ধরুন একটা প্লটে একসঙ্গে অনেকগুলো গাছ এসে গেল,
একটা প্লটে আপনি অনেকগুলো গাছ
হ্যাঁ,
পাচ্ছেন, ওরকম ছবি পাঠালেও হবে, কিন্তু আপনি নিজে কিন্তু খেয়াল রাখবেন এবং আপনাদের অফিসারদেরকেও জানিয়ে দেবেন যে এরকম একটা কোর্টস অর্ডার আছে।
ম্যাডাম অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি এর মধ্যে ট্রান্সফার হয়ে গেছে ওখান থেকে, আমি
ট্রান্সফার টু ক্যালকাটা।
যে আছে
আমি যে থাকছে তাকে পুরো
তাকে বলে দেবেন। আচ্ছা, stop. The ADFO submits that he has been transferred to Kolkata. Stop. The said officer is directed to intimate this order to the other officers and his successor in interest, so that the very purpose of passing the aforesaid order is served. Stop. The contempt application stands disposed of.
Mr. Somnath Chaudhary will be replacing him.
Whoever.
It is not right.
Whoever. আমি বলে দিয়েছি, আপনি জানিয়ে দেবেন। ঠিক আছে।
Matter is disposed of.
Yes, yes. Contempt. He was not the contemptor.
I know that.
So his presence was not required.
Not that because he was afraid of whether.
There is no question of being afraid in each and every occasion. আর কোনো ম্যাটার কি আছে? Yes. Yes.
Mr. Prasad to take instruction.
Malote, they can be, Malote, we are, Malote, on instruction I am submitting, Malote, they can be released. They can be released, Malote, only on prayer I am making, Malote, let it be restricted to this person. This order should not be treated as a precedent, Malote. This.
I am not recording anything. If one can be given training, why will the other not be given training, will you say?
Malote, the concern, Malote, I have already expressed before your lordship.
Your concern I have followed. Let somebody come, we will see.
Yes.
As and when matters come, we will see.
Yes.
But as of now, you say that they can be released. Get a written instruction from your client, keep it on record, don't keep it on your shoulder.
Yes, yes.
I'll post the matter tomorrow.
Yes, yes.
Very well, please come. The order of the Commissioner of School Education dated 22nd of July 2024 communicated to the Chairman DPSC Malda is taken on record. Stop. Learned advocate representing the DPSC Malda shall come ready with written instruction tomorrow. List tomorrow.
My lord, may I request, my lord, kindly fix the matter to be mentioned tomorrow?
Yes, yes, at the top. Why to be mentioned? I'll take it at the top. 27th is the date.
Last date.
So you still have time.
Yes, 27. And Malot, that
correction.
earlier order, Malot, there is some correction required.
Tomorrow we will see.
Yes.
If your written instruction serves the purpose, we will not touch that order.
Yes.
Correction is required, my lord.
Because names are.
Oh, your names. Sorry, that I missed. I thought you were talking about the contents.
No.
Please come. একটা line একটু লিখে নিন তো. The appearances of the learned advocates were wrongly mentioned in the order dated 18th of July 2024. Stop. The correct appearance will be as follows. Give your names. Be it recorded that the aforesaid advocates were present in court on 18th July 2024 and are also present today.
Grateful. 34.
আর কিছু?
আগের দিনের দরকার নেই তো এই অর্ডারে হয়ে যাবে তো
নামগুলো কি দিতে হবে আগের দিনের অর্ডারে
দাঁড়াও